Everybody make we get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people. Let's go. Everybody make we get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people. Let's go.
You're the Mixup An Blenda king. Let me tell you something. No weapon that's formed shall prosper. Let me tell you something. They can talk all they want. So all you want to me say you can't stop me. God picking it, me I got picking it. So all you want to me say you can't stop me. Just take your mind off of me, take your mind off of me. And me make you now, make no money. Nobody watch me, nobody chat me, nobody watch me style and criticize me. Just take your mind off of me, take your mind off of me, take your mind off of me. Just take your mind off of me. No me make you now, make no money. Nobody walk up and criticize me. Me I got picking it, say me I got picking it. Nobody watch me style and criticize me. Come on, you want to me say you can't stop me. Ask me when me name that.
Ragashanti, them to do what they use to mix up. I want today.
Mix them up and blend them up and now the things them. Hey, yeah, I'm still on it.
Sweetie, speak up yourself. Sonia, me see you. Big beer large up. Mika. Nikki. Good body, Nikki. Sinalicious.
Two people that work at my workplace. The two of them got married, and the night of the wedding, the man sleep out.
Pass the tambourine. It's all about the tambourine family. I'm beer something. I'm beer setting. That's it.
That's right, Nicky. Raga with the innocent mouth. Raga with the innocent mouth. Raga with the innocent mouth. Tell them ya, Nicky. Tell them ya. Okay. And when I come tell life have a good mouth, don't. Spiritually blessed. Spiritually blessed. John Lock, Wagwan. Yo, I want the 2 Lock Tracy. Tracy, make sure say you're all right. You know, just give you a check-in and make sure say you're good. I think a Java did a check-in for you one day and thing or whatever. People, good afternoon in a Monday. Good afternoon in a Monday. Good afternoon, blessings and respect all massive all crew. Good afternoon. Good evening, good night. Adapt me for say. Good night. Yeah, K, big up yourself, you know, Sonia. The bell need coconut oil. What the bell, hold on. May have some levels issue, you know. Sonia, the bell did sound low. Hold on. I suppose. Them the, all right, them the. Anyway, people, big up on yourself. What go down. I love to see on the whole and I say hello to one another. I say, Sonia says she just love Mixup. People, me telling you, you know, something not going on with Sonia in Canada, you know. And me I tell you, say Sonia round up. And I say Sonia in the Langamaga, you know. Sonia in the Langamaga again. Sonia round up and meet up. Sonia probably more meaty than Elaine right you know. That me I tell you, yeah. Something not going on with Sonia, man. You understand? Yeah. Who did say Sonia get good juice up there? Who did say it? Somebody did say Sonia get good juice in Canada, you know. So Sonia get some good blessing up there, man. Sonia get some good fix up there. Sonia leg them up in the ear, right? Sonia leg them up in the ear 12 o'clock. You know that's something that when you're young, you do 6 o'clock, right? But when you lay down and woman 2 foot up in the ear, you say 12 o'clock. Back in the idea when we are going with something them and thing, and just one like woman 2 leg them and say, my girl, 12 o'clock, you know, boom, boom, boom. Yeah. You have 12 o'clock and you have 10 to 2. I don't know 10 to 2, though. Yeah, 10 to 2, nice. And if you want to get wicked now, you 2:45, bombard. Yeah. What big beer about 3 o'clock? Big beer, 3 o'clock? Seriously? See, verbal expression say that big beer, 3 and 9, right? 3 and 9, 2:45, right? Right out there, so right? But 10 to 2, I say, you know, 12 o'clock up here, so. Yeah. And of course, 6 o'clock of that, you don't know about 6 o'clock of when. Most of the woman up here, nobody with that 6 o'clock something, nobody go. Nobody go, we're 6:30, right? Nobody go take you off and go try nothing with it, right? Okay, because somehow no love prims up too much and go pick up on the can't manage. Sham, like are you right, you know, nobody with the 6 o'clock, you can't manage 6 o'clock them time, you tall and uno. Yo, on the low out, sinner, low out 6 o'clock, right? The correct answer 1:05. Yeah, that's so, you know. Well, it depends on how it. Well, correct time. No, man. Correct time 1:05 over here, so, you know. 5 to 1, I so, you know. 10 to 2, I so, right? And 2:45, I so. These are the legs, right? About legs. And of course, the one where you get popular. June like it's a Prims Up. June, you remember Prims Up? Right? And the one where you get popular in a song in a Jamaica now at 6:30. Right? 6:30 a day. DJs and say, Mama and Papa and thing them back no good. Thank you. Yeah. No man, 6:30 they get popular in a dance hall. What the song? The song did name 6:30. I saw the song did name. But you know, enough people not understand with 6:30, you know. Them Carolee, what is 6:30? Carolee can't go like to take people for fool, listen. Carolee, you really don't Carolee, go man. Fool, you take people for you, boy, you don't know 6:30. Carolee, you really don't know what 6:30, you don't know what the 6:30 position is. Carly said she honestly don't know. Well, it's not for the weak. It's not for the inflexible, you know. I say, you know, when the clock's at 6:30, the two on them down, so right. So we Zodi there, Zodi, big up yourself, you know. Play the song, Raga. Me not have them song them. Me can't play them song the pan cue. Me not really have them song there, you know. Me not really have them song there, man. Me not really have them song there, you know. I'm sure them in there or whatever. But sometimes, is it true, some older woman know say 6 o'clock at this, right? So you literally stand up on one foot and the other foot there. We up here so up at 12 o'clock at pan 12, right? So the one where you stand up on, yeah, 6 o'clock and the one where they whatever, that's up at 12. So you know, say the way name the and you know, with the upper 12. So that's at 6:30, right? Now 6:30 they about long time, you know. You know, when you're in high school I go on with something them. 6:30 they about long time. But believe it or not, you know, enough people that look on 6:30 and because there's something sensational about it, you know. One leg straight up so and another one down, because you have a fit, you know. But you know what I say? Maxine Barnes, big up. Stacey large up. But you know what I say? Me no know, ladies that wanna do it, so wanna tell me. 6:30 harder for balance with, you know. No, 6 o'clock harder for balance with, you know. But me no know, as a man, me think say 6:30 harder for, you know. Ladies, you know, tell me if I true. Tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. 6:30 harder for balance with, because you have to hold on and then one leg off the street and have to kind of flexible. But isn't it the case that 6:30, like, it harder for no manage like 6:30 when there's something them are going, yes or no? Nikki said, not for me. What? It's when you do 6:30 with all them little body woman they like you, Nikki. Tal said, no. Which one? Which? Shami and James said she don't understand. All right, let me see, guys. Sometimes, you know what? You know, it's enough woman I know what is 6. When I want to explain 6:30 to Carolee, Carolee says she really don't know what 6:30 is. Tyler says she angle any style, bring it on. When I want to explain 6:30, let me see. 6:30 was common thing, Carolee. It was like a big thing out there, and all of the woman them do it in a dance. Well on. Look, boy, what you want? Wait, come over here, sir. Wait, come here. You just come. I'm just coming, people. Come over here, sir. You know, say you can't come here and bless up the people. All right, no. Well, come down, look at me. Well, you're there on that, and you're there on that up there, so see? So up there, so now you say YouTube, yell up.
YouTube, yell up.
Yell up, say yell up.
Yell up.
Yell up.
Yell up.
Well, I know, man. Come on, man. All right. Facebook up there, say to us. Say Facebook, big up on yourself.
Facebook, big up on yourself.
No, say Facebook, big up on yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, you know.
Facebook?
Yeah, say it. Usually, well, generally it's Facebook, but in Jamaican it's fierce. Fierce. Come now. Say Facebook, big up. Come now, man, talk to them. Facebook up there, so. Cause you have to yell up TikTok to
Facebook, big up on yourself.
You got it. Go on, let my son. Hold my son. All right, TikTok time now. TikTok time. Come on, they're doing it. What's the TikTok doing that, son? The TikTok now. The TikTok. All right. Well, I say, yo, TikTok TamFamers. No, just say that first. That's the first part. Say, yo, TikTok TamFamers.
Yo, TikTok TamFamers.
Yeah. Big up on a good self.
Big up on a good self.
And say CBS, you know you can't cook.
I'm not saying that.
When you mean answer that? Listen to your father. He said, well, just say, you follow me now. Say, Aunt Tasha, you's a punk.
And Tasha, you's a punk.
when I no big and see your people, the boy there and thing, you know, me tell you something proud of you from when you're going with in a school, though. Me tell you, it's so redundant and thing, but you know, them have this thing at the highest grade girl and the highest grade boy, right? But the other girl, but she did get again, the one who did get the something. She did
The perfect honor roll?
yeah, cause she been on honor roll every year, right? And that she did get. But you and the other, what the other girl name? Taylor. One have the highest grade though, right?
I think it was like something like Scholars of Distinction.
Scholars of Distinction and thing. But are you get it for the boys and Taylor get it for the girl? Only two of them. Bright boy, you know. A bright boy, you know. And I mean getting brightness from people. I'm telling you now, we are from the planet Zogar. We come on, man.
No,
Right.
we are not from the planet Zogar.
No, listen to me, man. Hear the analogy, you know. Zion, listen to me now. I tell you something. No, listen, I tell you something. Right? No, this is very important. No, one hand, man, I stop you laughing, man. Dog, let me tell you something. Listen to me. I am a superhero. One hand, man, the school, John, stop you laughing, man. Stop you laughing. The people, my laugh. All right, man, I'm going to tell you something. You're not going to really understand it now fully, honestly, but I guarantee you, later in life, you're going to understand what your mad father did I say, yeah? But you're not going to really understand it now. But nothing wrong if I tell you now, because whatever people experience, they cannot unexperience it. It's inside of you permanently, so you can access it, okay? So listen now. Everybody is a superhero. But some people live them entire life and not recognize them superpowers. You hear me say? Remember that. Everybody is a superhero. Everybody is unique and special in some way. Everybody have some exceptional abilities where nobody else can replicate. They may imitate it, but never replicate it. So you're a superhero, you know. But it's just that some people recognize them superpowers at different times in their life. You see what I say? And unfortunately, some people live them entire life and not recognize it. I just want anyone to say he's a superhero, right? And you have exceptional abilities in some way, form, or the other. I just you for find your superpowers and thing. You know them look at something where you watch with them look at thing there. And you remember that something where you watch where they pitting them in a superhero school? And some of them don't recognize them power yet. You did that watch there, you remember? No, you're being
I don't.
You're being a punk, man. Right? But don't you what me say to you though? Everybody is a superhero, right? And it's just that what?
Some people aren't recognized.
Some people live them entire life without recognizing them superpowers. You feel me, I say? And I just you in a year time, in a year life, to recognize what your superpowers are. What make you a superhero. But it's there. But you know what? It's best that you don't live your entire life and not recognize it, yeah? And just from your father, we are from the planet Zogar.
Get off me.
Right?
Get off.
We they think I'm corny with this. They think I'm corny. Listen, we're from the planet Zogar, right? I am from Zogar. So we're superheroes on planet Zogar. What's up, man? You go and fight it here. You go and fight it. I'm telling you. All right, go back home, because we have to have big people something in there. You can't stay there. I'm telling you, you're from the planet Zogar. Like, yo, don't sit on the remote, yo. All right. Just know that you're from the planet Zogar. We all are. So we're special in way there. Huh? Oh, yeah. Cool. I think it's fully charged, though, yeah? No, we probably not reached there yet, but Anglia business. And here we go on. May I finish the show early for you, yeah?
Okay.
Cause all right, may I wait in my line, in my take out some charger and whatever, so may I wait for him come out for we go and talk about what we did at talk about, cause I don't talk about those things in front of this young man.
Yeah, I'm not here.
What?
I'm not here.
You're not here. No, you can't there. Your ears them can't there either. Lock your door. Wait. Papito. Yeah. Being a smart ass, man. I catch your door and I listening. Yes, I. Yeah, we're from the planet Zogar, okay? Yes, we are. Don't fight it, right? Raga, these kids, we're from the planet Zogar. Carol Zion is so cute, like his dad. No, saying this is Zion a face boy. A problem to come with the ladies, them. You understand? Not like big nose Raga, I think. Yeah, this is Zion a face boy. A hot boy look more, man. That's right, Sage. Miss Cherry Grandor. This are the thing. The Veronique, go on. Big beer, big up yourself, you know. And the stars just a giant tall. The mango tall, I mean, I'm 6'2". I'm telling you, my sons, they're going to be taller than me. I'm sure about that. I'm sure about that. The more tall I me. Nikki Ross, my sister, they on a roll. You need to squat over that thing. What? Squat over what? What? Hey, one time, guy, I used to have issue with the second show we're going in at the chat, you know. But just leave it alone now, you know. Because I found a thing that, because I want different thing that, I read some of them something, man. Wait, Zion train there. When them Zion train, what kind of war in cars last? Tell him that for me a sinner, right? One hand. Zion train a be a problem you causing up, dog. A be a problem. You cause the first big fight in a TamFam. Since me come over TikTok. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. All right, cool. So, ladies, when me did I ask you now, see? Two things, but first, because believe it or not, you know, despite the popularity of the song and despite how topical the whole thing was for a long time in Jamaica, because of the popularity of the song 630, it did take off, and everybody, you just assume so everybody know what the 630 position is. But you only have to talk to some big man and them don't know. I mean, know what confuse them, you know. So, Carolee says she don't know what the 630. It's a simple position, but it's not simple when it comes to certain things. But somebody tell Carolee what is a 630. Let me see. Ooh, let me see if you don't know. What is a 630 position? You would think it is obvious because it's at the time, so you know what the boat and the Phenomena says she don't know. Too sexy for you, I say bend over, ever read that backers, exactly. But all right, dark and lovely, then near, bend over and touch your toe. Well, dark and lovely, you're the closest. Holding ankles. How you pronounce her name then now? Pet nine low. You either hold your ankles or you hold back of your your back of your knee. Yeah, back of your knee or lower. Upper back up on your calf. You either hold your ankles or you hold your calf. But you bend over. And your head the right down between your leg. Or right above your knee. Right? So if this is you, well, that's such an awful example, right? But basically, you bend over. 6:30, the two on them the right on the 6, all right? The two on them on the clock, the right on the 6. So the woman bend over and usually them hold them ankle. Some woman have more balance when them hold them calf. And the real guinea gag them don't hold nothing, them just down there, so you understand. But and then some woman, the real flexible one them know. Them hold them there, bend over, and them head go between them legs, and them a look up. Listen to me, them. Hey, make Trumpy tell you. I wanna do wickedest turn on that. Ladies, nobody go pick you. Nobody go try it. It's a particular on the phone age. How young people sitting at them, all right? How young people something at them, all right? And I met no grown man try to get to do them something and all them little thing there. Right? This is young people. We're talking about young people something. But you see when a woman bend over and the real guinea gag them, you know, I don't know what them do it, you know, them keep them legs straight, you know, because it's harder when you keep your legs straight, you know. And then bend over, and then them head go right between them legs. So we as a man stand up and we are look down. So them are look up, you know. You see them head down there, so you know. So them bend over, head gone round and come over and I look up. And then the time we position you, so, you know, and I send on, you know. And them I look up, you know. And the real guinea gag them, you know, man, who can isolate them pelvis, you know, man. Them are wine, you know. Most women are wine. Most women who do it, they can't wine because the body straight or whatever. But you have some woman, man, and still wine, they say, you know. Problem, you know, young people something do. Young people something them there. Young people something them there. Young people something. Some young people, because Munchie can't do them something. Munchie trying them, she turn over, she kin over, and roll well like bowling ball or whatever. Munchie can't manage them sitting there, right? I will care about. Care what you have about. Care you can't do it. And don't try it. Come in and know what you have about. Like say you could have tried. K, stop it foolish, this man. And nobody go try nothing like. Listen to me, K. Don't bother go try the way name there, you know. Because you know hear what did happen to Navlet. Right? Or Munchie just come. Munchie, we are talking about different position and thing and whatever. And different position, like, you know, this whole thing with the clock, you know? Right? So you have 5 to 1, 10 to 2, quarter to 3. And you have 6:30. These are the legs. These are the ladies' legs. Right? And then through all of them, you always base upon the leg them. So some of the women them must think say 6:30, you just stand up so with 2 legs together. No, you have to bend over. Right? So 6:30 is a different thing. Again, you know, this is about the legs. 5 to 1, 10 to 2, quarter to 3. Right? And you know, 12 o'clock. Yeah, we men will love 12 o'clock. Because when you go so boom and you put the lady, them 2 legs together and they leg them up in the air and you go so, you see that when it squeeze up with something, it just fat and plumpy and push out, you know, between the leg, you know, and it's nice. And then when, it's nice because look, squeezings are going and all them something. So 12 o'clock bad, you know. So the opposite at 12 o'clock. But through all of these is legs. People, some women mistakenly think 6:30 is about legs too. But 6:30 is not just legs. 6:30 you have to bend over and thing because now the 2 hand, your upper body have to do with one of the hand from the clock as opposed to the other one them where it's just your legs. I deal with the hands them from the clock. But in 6:30, your upper body is one of the hand them from the clock and your lower body is the other. And you have to bend over. People, You know, I say Navlet go try that. Navlet, I do every 6:30 Navlet did I do, right? A 5:45 Navlet did I do, but it's a straight foot backers. So you don't know, say 6 o'clock down there, so right? So Navlet just bend, so you know. So she did 5:45, you know, and have a straight foot, yes, so right? 100 to 6 o'clock, and then quarter. But you have to keep your legs straight, you know, and then keep them tight. So it's a different thing, you know. And then the woman and just whine. So it's bad. Navlet not go try it, man. Mash up her foot. Mash up her foot. Ask Navlet anytime you see she come in here. Right? Mash up her foot. Wicked, wicked, wicked. And the weird thing, you know, she did that try it and end up mash up her foot down her ankle, you know. Whenever like a cut on a toenail later, on feel it on the back up, press up, or down on my back. Yeah, that's all kind of look connections are going down this, you know. So we are talking about our young people something. And the young people them do them something there. Except Munchie, because Munchie can't do them something. The Munchie don't know if we do them something there, right? That we are say. So when we are saying now with the 6:30, you know, one bad position still. Back in the idea when you're young and you go on with the thing, ladies, may I tell you, man, it was a jar, you know. It's when you go to boom and you hold on a woman to batty jar them. And you look down and you see fear face and look up because she bend over and her head there between her leg and I look up. And you're sitting there as a boom and you're saying and you're whining and she look on it out. Listen to me now, man. At them time that you realize that life sweet, you know, man. I want me to you. Aye, boy. Munchie said that. Damn right, I don't. I said, Munchie, I know your speed that. But this is not for young people, right? Like, Sinalicious, the bad I go try this. I mean, the one keyboard, like she could have go try that. Okay, you're trying to try that, here? You come over here, visit and thing, next thing you go try that and thing and end up in an emergency room and go miss your flight. But, like you that try that. Try what? Okay, quat. And you're Caribbean, you must know what we Jamaicans, what quat mean. Me, yeah, so I'm sitting there, whatever this and that. Man, and I'm doing them foolishness there, whatever. There's certain little thing, you know, me and juggle that I for go on. Me no care nobody want to say, you know, me have one position, it have to happen. From we a juggle a position, they have to happen. Your leg straight, the other one cross, press down, you curve up your body and you look up and thing if you want. Still. I might think that, you know. But some of them things where all them people are going, some of them big woman and all them something, you know, big and serious, you know, some of them big woman in about to know one man lifting up, you know. Me have a little pet peeve with that, you know. Some of them big woman but no one man lifting up. They say keep it 100, man, bother with the foolishness. If you know say you don't have lift up body, stop it, man. And I go on like you want to come clown up, man, and embarrass, man. If you know say you don't have lift up body, bill. Right? Bill. But you don't want to lift up. I want to munch but we need pick up too. Listen to me. Could keep it real. Some women body lend themselves to pick up, right? And if you have somebody like Liquid, then probably it no matter, because Liquid and one big old grizzly bear from the wild. That is Liquid. Right? Men, listen to me, man. You hear me answer, man. Back in the idea. No, sometimes you have to gangster it out, though, and go on with that little thing, though, and hold it. We know that, you know? But no on the limit, yo. No on the limit, man. Right? Don't afraid to tell the woman, say, no, that lift up thing, then they you know, lay down and tap your foolishness, man, or bend over, or catch your knee, or whatever, right? Nobody go take shoe off or lift up and then you underperform and then you go strain yourself and thing. Worse, like if you're there at a certain age and thing. Sincerely, Shantana. That's why I'm there on weight loss journey, because I want to get pick up to Shantana. No, but Shantana, me look for you, man. You pick up it. Well, let me look back for you again. Let me look back for you. Shantana, let me look back for you. Well, Santana, you have that sexy thickness there, you know. You're curvy and thing and round up and but you're thickish, you know. Santana, you're the right at the it looks to me like you're the right at the border. For you not get lift up, you're the right at the border there, you know, so you still can't get lift up, you know. But you see all your lift up now, Santana. Sweet Candy said, look for me too. When you say Sweet Candy, me look for you too, no? All right, well, let me see what I go have with Sweet Candy. Sweet Candy said, me look for that too. I wish you did. All right, let me see Sweet Candy, you know. Let me see Sweet Candy. Sweet Candy, me check you out, you know, me check you. But Sweet Candy, me not see your body, me just see you and your gentleman. Me see you and you look like you and your gentleman. I don't know if you're a gentleman. I can't see that face so good if you're a gentleman or your son. What? But me can't see your body, Sweet Candy. Right? You're a good looking lady. Or whatever, but I can't see your body be. So I don't know what is what. I can't make no and I can't. No, Sweet Candy, I don't know if I say this in the comment. Angie Melly, me love to get lift up too. Sweet Candy said, I will put up another pic. All right, after you put up the other pic and then me look funny to you. Put up the other. Well, Veronique, me soon can get lift up too. I think I can still. You're lucky. Yo, people, y'all are killing me, man. All right, well, Maxie one said, no lift up for me. Is a dumpling she have on her page. Who have dumpling on her page? Who Munchie stop with? Who Munchie stop with? I say a dumpling she have on her page. John. Now, Nikki people. Now, Nikki have lift up body. You know, I don't say Nikki, but we see Nikki already. Nikki have Nikki. What? Nikki have them lift up body, them man. Nikki have lift up body where you can walk around with, right? You have some lift up body where you walk around with and bounce and pause and catch one and you know. Nikki have that body there, you know. Yeah. The panty shop, she says she don't want no lift up. See it there? Yeah. Yeah, for no. Verbal expression. Ice me up here, we take 2 Tylenol after. Carolee, Raga, we all have lift up body over here. No. So I'm not keep up on the foolishness, you know. But we all. I was say no lift up for me. What was Zodi said she want to lift up? Let me see what. You know, Mrs. Zodi already, you know, but this is Zodi already, man. But watch your beer nails, me I see over Zodi, you know, nails Zodi deal with. And them a nail, yeah. Why? Ladies, you see when man are born, you see when man are so they say, wait 1 minute. Wait, what wrong with nails now? Me not say nothing wrong with nails. If you go over Zodi page, you will see she obviously she's a nail tech. So me just say a beer nails. Munchie is what? What you at for me? Awa. A beer nails over there. Look on Zodi page. I go do some business with her because she a nail tech and her nails them over there bad. Right? Munchie, so you probably have your nails them want to look a ketchup right now and get a look of swag to your nails them and a look of pizzazz or thing. I probably phenomenal. Raga, like how me don't have a man. Water always lifting me up. What you mean water always a lift you up? Me no know. Wait, that a code. Corinne Otti, use a car jack for me. Well, I want to say a car jack for you, Corinne. You know easy. You know easy. Huh? No, oh, me. I'm telling you, you know. You don't know this, me talk it already. Oh, beach or pool. Oh, okay. Okay, me see the flex. Yo, one time, God, you know, when woman did want to lift up, you know, me tell you, you know, me used to take shoe off and give them lift up, you know, and when them not ask feet, you know, when lift up, because I did have a time when lift up, did I run the place, you know, people. Yes, man. As soon as you start do so, woman, jump up on you. That was the thing. Jump up on you. And you know, them time there, you know, you're younger and thing, you just have to work with it because all in your mind is to impress the woman, you see me? So you know, some more time I couldn't manage you. Yeah, man. And ladies, you know, so you must go through this. When the man them legs them start shake and a tremble and thing under the strain. Ladies, you don't know about that, though. All the ladies them don't know about that something. They like man lifting up on them knee and you feel them knee and shake. Talk it through. Say me, if you know about that something, if you go through that, man take shoe off and go lifting up on them knee. And you feel them knee and shake. No. See they say me, see there? You don't know what I talk about, no. Me go through that, you know. And then when the knee and shake, you have to draw a card and I tell lie. Because when the knee and shake, you know, if you're not mind sharp, you go collapse with all the woman. You go collapse with all the woman there and all these things, you know. Is what me say? So what me do now is like, them time, you know, when time your knee and shake and whatever, you have to know what doing, you know, because you know you have to. You see, when you have strong abs, you can lift up. Anybody would lift weights, you know. The stronger your abs, the more weight you can lift, you know. Or when you lift and you pull in your abs, you lift more weight, particularly when you breathe out. You don't know that's something there. And you bend your knee. And then also, if you distribute your weight a certain way, you know. Because you know, say if you straighten up so, the woman heavier. But if you lean back so, it get lighter because you distribute the weight evenly. And them look at technique they have to figure out. You see what I say? But then back in them days, you know, when you all a juggle and your knees start shaky, you know, you all have to run and a draw a can and I say, boom, but I'm going, you know, over here someone, yeah, man, over here someone, cock up and rinse you out, you know. That the time I tired, we foot tired, you know, I can't we are dry, you know, because we can't stand up the longer, you know, so we are going like we are gangster. And I bring you over so and I lean you up on the sofa, I put you back on the edge of the bed and all them something there and whatever. I tired, we tired. And I tell lie and I draw a card. Right? Enough of that I go through. Tired out, feel like I'm in here starting and you start worrying and I say you embarrass yourself, you know. And you have to say, come over here, someone, you and thing, and you're going like a talk same way, you know. Then the time you're tired out and can't manage, you know. You know what I say? Yeah, reach a point when I go in my done cafes and I just say, what you do? What kind of lift up you want? No, No lift up now, but no, we not lift you up today. CBS, big up. We not lift you up today. Okay. All right. Stay where you're there. We not lift up. When you want to come jump up, and man can't manage you and all them. So, me not depend that. Rosemary Blake confession is good for the soul. What a long time I tell people them sit there. Long time I tell people them style and make them know where the man them are. Remember, you know, people. Here when me I say to you now, ladies. Me no in enough fears now about to be mysterious and not reveal too much about yourself. When I don't listen Raga going well, me not tell you all of my business, obviously. But when I don't listen Raga go tell you all like something of them certain things. It's what me I say. We not hold back around here. That is one of the reasons why I don't listen to the show. I'm out and I'm unruly and I'm candid. So I'm going to tell you the something of them. Because I don't look nobody. I don't look no mysterious to nobody or nothing or whatever. You understand? So I'm going to tell you something of them, all right? And that people, well, when I read the people listening to the show, of course, I learn certain things where man are going with, don't it? Yeah. Because you don't know, so I make you know what I'm going down. You see it? Randy, what's up? Yeah. And he's a straightforward man now when it comes to certain things. You know, man, and a dolly house thing and whatever. We are going to do this, we could do this. So we kind of run it from down and this and that and whatever. If we are going to do this, we could do this. Cut out the frigate. Let's go. Right? Yeah. Chrissy, what I go on? Hey, Chrissy. Chrissy, mind yourself, you know, Chrissy. You just a miss up, so. Yeah? Chumpy say no lift. People they say Chumpy say no lifting and Chumpy big and thick and muscle and then Chuck man then Trang and Chumpy say no lifting. So what me if go do it? I mean is a book man. Me is a book man and Chumpy is a Chuck man. You understand? Milo, what go on? Chrissy, what go on? Chrissy, you go on like say you scarce up a thing, you know. Want me to know say if you dead about Chrissy. You don't know what want you about. You know, it's a Raga want you about here. Don't it? Raga want you about here, Chrissy, them for no, don't. Hershey Pie say, me like bungs pan it. That nice, you see? Oh, man. That nice, man. Munchie, then Raga, Chumpy look like him can lift pin to your bum. Right, you know. When I get involved in that, you know. We're not getting involved in that. All right, Chumpy, you answer that. Okay, that's on you. Okay. Rosemary Blake, 708 a week, Chumpy week. Chumpy don't fall feet. Anytime you see them go out with them foolishness about Rosemary Blake about a week. Make me and you go do something, Rosie, you go tell me about a week. Make me and you go do good, you go tell a week, make you not live me. When I fling you around and this, I'm not lifting you up, you know. And whatever, and start slant it and curve it, pie and whatever, if you teach you a lesson and thing with your outer. Well, I'm going to look by Rosemary Blake. All right, follow her. I'll go over her page, you know. Me over Rosemary page. Rose, you're on the borderline too, you know, like, Rose, you're the right at that. Rose, you can't get lift up on a good day, you know. You can't get lift up on a good. Rosie, the white dress the way you have on when you face front, the white dress where you in red shoes. Right under the belt, something to push out right there. So I want to go on this, Rosie. Rosie, you know my white dress and you stand up beside the Jeep and thing, they're on a carousel, so the picture of them a move. But the front pose, look, Rosie, right under your belt, something to push. Rosie, you got an Audi. You have an Audi navel? Rosie, you have an Audi? You have a big navel? Rosie, big up your big navel. Are you big navel, lad? Rosie, big up your big navel. Raga, you're sharp, you know. Rosie, big up your good big navel. Rosie, are you navel, lad? Rosie, something that push out right there under your belt, you know, like, you know, look at, you know. Rosie, big up, Rosie, if I navel, lad, you know, big up your big good navel, you know, because woman out in navel forget kiss, right? Because the navel, the big navel, them clean. And they look at anyone them, sometimes the woman will clean them there and them kind of touch, you know. Rosie, big up yourself. Claudette Donaldson is our pum-pum. No, our pum-pum can't the way up the side of the middle of her belly. Claudette, you're too outside. Go, man. Shade, Raga, I didn't see it. You see you. No, man, big neighbor forget lick, man. Big neighbor forget lick, man. When you have to be careful that they look at anyone them because all kind of corruption can in there, you know. Yeah. You have some man love push their tongue down in any neighbor and whatever. You have to be careful of the anyone them because in the add some microscopic corrupted particles, you know. And that's so the big neighbor clean. You see it. You know what's up. You have to be careful with the liquor. No man, enough love man, enough go on in a style. All man, listen to me. Don't quick for push your tongue in at the inner neighbor woman them and think, cause sometimes some of them not watch their neighbor good here. Right? You have to kind of check. Yeah. Chumpy said no tongue in a neighbor. Me not go say that, Chumpy. Me not go say that. Me go say something now, but I don't want to read in it and run with it gone everywhere. Cause I know that's what it them. I go say something. But I don't want to read in it and go say, right? Raga with the innocent mouth. That's me. Raga with the innocent mouth. Right? And somehow uno just want to look at the door crack, as we say in Jamaica. And uno just bum rush the door and gone in with one bag of foliage. Raga with the innocent mouth. Chumpy, what you mean say no tongue no for go in a navel? Tongue for go all bout per woman body. I want to hear Chumpy. Remember what I said to you, don't carry tongue. Don't. Okay. Chumpy tongue for go all bout per woman. I want me to you. You go on like you know say, oh, neck for bite up and all them something. Yo, there's a thing though with someone into I'm not into that lick out armpit something them not. Oh, there's a thing though. Take off that. Yo, people, you know, say people out there them into that lick out armpit something that. Munchie in Jesus' name speak. Raga, go man. Here, see. You only want to hear more. Whatever. Everita Billings, not ears. I want me to you, Everita, stop it. That's the first thing we do in high school. People, who not talking truth. When you're in high school, when you think say you're style, when you think say you're boss and thing, the first thing you know, push your tongue in a woman, in a girl ears. The first thing you do, right? See the Milo. The Milo I'm a charge, you know, lickings for days, lickings for guan. People, when you don't go through that in a high school. Like when you just start with certain things and two tools, tongue gone in her ears. Tammy McLaren, it is annoying. Tammy, every reader says she don't like it. When your ears just wetty and plaka. Patsy, I hate it. Well, this is educational, you know. Men pay attention, I always tell you. Know. Listen, all of the women, them, look, men, look. See, woman, them I say, let me read them. Right? I hate it. Right? One person say I hate, one woman say I hate it, the next woman say, disgusting. Right? And next woman say, what? I don't like the ears thing either. Phenomenal said, true, I don't like it. Annoying and wet. Panty Sharp said, no, sir. Dr. Mark said she love it. People, we all know, you know, Dr. Mark, you know, fear freak up, you know, man. Right? Any man get Dr. Mark, you know, have a know, say, oh, you have to come correct, you know, if you want to come correct. Get it? Right? Yeah, because Dr. Mark fear thing, yeah. No, Dr. Mark thing, you know, have to tell, you know. You have to have, hey, your tongue game have to up, you know. Your head game have to up for Dr. Mark, you know. And your striking game have to up, you know. Your wind up in it game have to up, you know. Your edge it game have to up, you know, with somebody like that. Me read there, you know. No, man, with Dr. Mark, man, there are a whole heap of lickings and slurpings and all these things have to go on. Rochelle said, I hate it bad, it cranny. Whoa. Bad girl I road say, turn me on. Sade, that's why you had her, Raga. I can't tell them, Dr. Mac not do nothing here. Right? Dr. Mac I'm a charge. I don't know who Dr. Mac do it, but I know I said Dr. Man they have to make sure. Me know Dr. Mac now there with no man unless him head game up. Him lickings thing have to dip on point. Right? Him tongue have to fit. Right? Jackie N91. Raga, when are you going to give your life to God? He's calling you. Jackie, oh, you know God call me. You did hear? You hear when him did call me? Jackie, Jackie and 91. Oh, you know God a call me. How you hear and me never hear? Eh? No man, leave me and Jackie. Me and Jackie. Jackie said God a call me, right? No, but me no, but Jackie, me I hear something from where God did attack to me and me never hear something. Just want no, you don't know. Because these Jamaicans, you know, they have this thing when them say, you know, say the Lord a call you and whatever. And the people them say these things, Jackie N 91, which with due respectfully. You got to be careful when you say these things, you know, because why are you going to say something like that when you have no evidence that God did a call me? You can't, that's disrespecting God. If you just, it's just something where you learn. If you're suggesting that I go into the church, that's fine. If you say, Raga, you don't think, you know, you want to go in the church or you want to go and pick up Christianity or whatever, that is different. But you can't say, God, I call me Jackie, and that's not right, you know? That's disrespectful to God. You're defaming God. You tell lie upon God because I just something you repeat because you grew up with it. You probably observe something. Jackie and 91, even your mom told you. No, my mother never tell me, say God call me. My mother never tell me that. My mother never tell me, say God call me. My mother thinks I'm going to be a pastor. She wanted me to be a pastor, right? And she thinks it was something like that or whatever. Oh, and she did say, when God call you, answer. But my mother never tell me, say, God call me. I remember some of my mother did when me am 15. So she didn't have a pressure a little boy with whatever. Jackie, but there you go. No, she said, when God call you, answer. But my mother never tell me, say, God call me. Right? She tell me, say, I have the gift. I have a gift. That is different from your calling, if you know really. But Jackie, remember, I grew up in a Christian woman. So I know what a calling is, right? Some people get the calling for be messenger, some people get the calling for be healer, some people get the calling for be an observer. Right, me know what a calling is. God never called me yet. You may want God for calling me, but God not call me. So I would advise you not to go around and I tell lie upon God. I don't think God is going to be pleased about that, right? Because I'm sure when you say, oh, Raga in here, God I call you, God listen you, well, what she say? After me never call him. Yeah, and that God do. I'm sure God do that when God see a post that a while ago and say, why she going to tell lie promise and whatever? And I like say she did hear when me call him or nothing, right? So Jackie, what you do, you upset God. You just upset God. You may not, you just tell lie upon God, Jackie. Like seriously. I would suggest you talk to the Lord right now and beg some forgiveness and think for the big dirty lie where you tell upon God a while ago. And you need to stop it. Stop tell lie upon God. People don't know what Miss Cherry was all about her God and her church, you know, so, right? Yeah, no, she need to go apologize to God because she tell lie upon God. She never hear God call me, right? And if God did a call me, me always, people, man, sure know, if for no reason on certain things, you know, more while them not make sense, you know, that's what me say. It's a standard convention amongst people of faith. This is something that we all grew up with. Where God always attack to somebody if he talk to somebody. Seriously? Miss Cherry want her one and only in the arms of God. Jackie, nah, let it go. Right? All right, people. What is wrong with that? There is something inherently wrong with that, you know. Think about it. And people, a lot of people don't think about it, and people come up to them and then respond to them and think says whatever. But just think about it, right? Right? What is wrong with that? There is something wrong with that, right? Raga, you see the video with the soldier man catch him friend, I'm house with his woman. No, send it to me. 516-500-0210. Send it to me. Send WhatsApp. 516-500-0210. Send it to me here. 516-500-0210. Let me see that bit. All right, people, what is wrong with that thing? Bad girl I wrote. Raga, God get Jackie message with you. Well, you know what? Yeah, what is that? When all these people who always come to you and I say, God tell them to tell you, say. It is so insulting to God. May I get to that soldier man something? Right? That is so insulting to God. People think about it. Right? Think about it. Yeah. We have a time when like somebody who have power, who's in charge, will send an emissary. They say, come to me. They don't do that. Kings do that, right? Them a king and them a Dan. Yeah, go tell her she should come to me. I go tell her boy that she should come chat to me about what him do. Right? So you do that. But that is different, you know, from the people who say God I tell somebody something intimate, something personal, something unique. And in most instances, right, with these people who want something for somebody else, them say God tell them to tell the person. Yes, you have people who say God tell me say that is a common thing amongst Christians. Common in Jamaica too, right? But that is a separate matter, you know. Because it always intrigued me, the people who God talk to them personally, you know. And if you ever check out them life and all them something, you can't help but wonder why God talk to them and not talk to you. You understand? But anyway, back to the people who come to you know and say, you need to do so and so and so and so. Because God tell them, say, you have to do so and so and so and so. And it's a huge thing. And that is what most of these people who make the pastor them lead them astray. People, when I see the video with the one pastor, real something I tell you know, the pastor tell the church, say, God say, them fi come get him, the ladies them fi get him holy fluids. And in at the church, him have one religious robe like, and the woman them come up, line up, and them kneel in front of him, and him cover them, and them put the instrument in at them. Who see the video? Who see the video? Who see the video? I can't, someone of me think I lie, me I tell. Who see the video? Tal says she see the video, all right? Big Beer see the video. Jata Jata the video. Trumpy see the video. Because sometimes I say something you must think I lie, me I tell. I real thing me I tell you know people. Yeah, man, and woman, come up, man, because God say, them fi come up and put the pastor body in a them mouth in a church and suck off that. Yeah. And yeah, and him a pray and thing, and him have one, I think it's like a green or blue thing rope like, and them come and them kneel and them cover them or whatever, and them throw the John in them mouth and them do the holy sock. Them do the holy sock and them get the holy fluid from the holy sock. And him tell them say God said them for do that. You have to be careful of people. So that is an extreme version of something that is an aberration of what it is to be a sanctified worshiper of the Lord, right? That is, yeah, it is extreme, but nonetheless, it exemplifies, the atrocity, of an interpretation of God. And what we need to pay attention there is this respect for God so much that if somebody can come about and be as convincing and compelling in their rhetoric that God is somehow talking to them and telling them what to do, then people are like, who am I to offend God? So these ladies are like, damn, if I don't do this, sin I go take me and whatever. I go to a pastor dick in my mouth right in the middle of the church. It's crazy. And again, I'm saying that's an extreme version of it, but the principle remains the same with these people who are telling you that God talked to them and tell them to tell you something. When the simple logic is God is God. God no need for tell nobody nothing for, unless you're a pastor or preacher at church. But God no need for giving a personal message to somebody for go give somebody over there. So then and I do it so often. You know them boy they were, when a boy I look one girl and I have no lyrics and thing, and I tell him friend, tell us I like her or whatever. You know them look weird, then take God for idiot. Right? So don't come tell me say God tell you something for tell me. If God want to tell me something, God go tell me. Because God are God. God can't tell anybody anything they want to tell them. Why God are going to tell somebody something for go tell you, whatever. Right? That's why when I hear this thing over and over, I need to have a personal relationship with the Lord. Okay? Right? So when you have your relationship with God, God no need for go tell nobody nothing for come tell you. Like say God in a so. Like, my child, I would like you to carry this message to Ragashanti. Tell Ragashanti he needs to turn his life over to me. I need you to do this for me, okay? Because yeah, I'm God, but I just need you to do it for me, because that's the only way I'm gonna get the message to Ragashanti. If you go ahead and do it for me, okay? Right, because we need to save him. So you go ahead and do it. I don't insult them. I'm not rude to them or anything, because I know what's going on there, And I always find it intriguing when people go, Raga, you're such a good thinker. You're educated. You're this, you're that, whatever. And, they'll commend me, admire me for certain, abilities and capacities that I possess. They would say to me that, people say, well, say nobody can come in a foolishness because you think. They'll say that to me. And then they'll come and say like these ridiculous things. Like, I'm like, didn't you did, my mind, man. So, now this person I didn't say this about me, and them come with them baby psychology to me. Why you think you're going to get past me when them are sitting here? Ay, God. They spoke in tongues. You don't understand tongues, Raga. Nowadays, them at church people, them say tongue, a whole heap of tongues, them attacking, yeah, all kind of different tongue. You think they're easy, it's when church people never go on without it. Yeah. No, yeah, that's something there. Jano. Oh, you know what? That video there, send it to one different number. Me see somebody send it to one different number. Send it to 718 308 9993. 718 308 9993. I want to see that video there, the Sojie Man video. I want go on. The Sojie Man catch him friend and shell out him woman. Urshipai, I would take some tongue right now. It's a Urshipai that do well with around a tonguing right now. Go ahead, my child. God not have no problem with that. Take it from me. I don't know everything, but I'm a learned person about these things and whatever. And God not have no problem with you getting a swipe, right? For the record, there's nothing in the Bible that says that swiping is wrong. So for those of you who've been getting swiping and you feel like say you do something ungodly, stop feeling that way, right? Stop feeling that way. There's nothing in the Bible that says swiping is wrong. Nothing from God. There's no record, nothing on it. Everything is subject to interpretation and cultural taste, right? If you say you don't like it, you just don't like it because some hygiene thing or whatever, Yeah, but even that don't make sense because, you know. But anyway, but don't bother say is anything to do with God because, again, that too is insulting. To think that God sit down and I watch which part you put your mouth and make a big deal about it. Like, yeah. Also, God, I go see somebody a bomb women and children and a kill tens of thousands of women and children in a summer, whatever. But somehow God, you know, not deal with that and just somehow just feel, you know, have more interest in which part you liquor or what your tongue are doing and all them something. It's so absurd. But it's weird. They send the video to me, send the Sojie video to me, 718-308-9993. Phenomenal. So she would take some right here. Bombard. Yo. See one other phenomenal. So she would have take some. We all of the woman would have take a good swiping right here now. Say me. All of the woman would have take a good swiping right now. Say me. What? TamFam ladies, my love no you see. Why? What you want you want Christina want me to or whatever? Dark and lovely. Of course, dark and lovely. When you are gonna say no, you not say no to that at all. Chumpy saying miss it. You know, say them man they own up them thing, you know. All right. People, look what K right. Jesus God, somebody take a woman phone. Somebody take K phone. K said, lick my plate clean. Listen to me.
Mixup and Blenda time.
Listen.
Pat, I want to sit on it. Just run over, bounce over like a bunny and just sit on it, no? And that you want to do, don't it, Pat? Eh? You just want to just run over like a bunny, bounce and just land on it down. Yeah, yes, man. Yes, man. Land on the man face and mash up him face and... Y'all are so bad, man. Wait video there. Let me see if them send the video. Oh, one line there. I think I hit this.
Yeah, come out of the house now. Yeah, you wouldn't know. You would fucking know. But you're there camp every day and text them, not true? You're not there shoot those and anything, not true? Yo, big man, just pull it from me. Why am I pull it from you? No, man, just pull it from me. You're not for the run. You know you have your gun. Just pull it front door and we're good. No chance, Akila. Pull it front door. Akila, come. Akila, really? Can't believe. Next man, yes. Can't fucking believe this, Akila. I cannot believe this. Akila, we can't fucking believe this. Akila, hermit, pull the fucking door. Alright, you see this switch underneath it? Just turn it. Yo, look, me there right so. I put my gun, I Sojie too. But me, must know me. But I'm instructor from building, must know me. So let's see. You see the switch underneath it? Flick it. Turn it and I with the right as well. Yo. No man, look no alright. Look at shoot a long time, brother. Me not look at. Come out of my house, yo. Wicked man. Yeah, come out of the switch. Yeah, come out of my house, no. There you go. Yeah, you wouldn't know. You would fucking know. But you're there camp every day at Texas, not true? You're not there shoot those and anything, not true? Yo, big man, just pull it front door. Why am I not pull it front door? No man, just pull it front door. You're not for the run. I know you have your gun. Just pull it front door and we're good. No, let me know what you guys have. Pull it front door. Akila, come. Akila, can't believe it. Next man is Bumble. Can't fucking believe this.
What the Bonner man said to Akila.
You have your gun. Just pull it front door and we're good. No, let me know what you guys have. Pull it front door. Akila,
well, I'm going that tonight, man.
I know you have your gun. Just pull it front door and we're good. No, let me know what you guys have. Pull it front door. Akila, come. Akila, can't believe next man is Bumble. Can't fucking believe
what the Bonner man said? When he said before Bumble?
Akila, can't believe next man is Bumble.
Akila, make a next man do this Bumble like that, him say?
No, let me know what you guys have. Pull it front door. Akila, come. Akila, can't believe next man is Bumble. Can't fucking believe this, Akila. I cannot believe this. We can't fucking believe this. Akila, hermit, pull the fucking door. Alright, you see, look, you see this switch? Underneath it, just turn it. Yo, look, with the right so. I'm Sojie too. But many. Must know me. But me instructor from building, must know me. So let's see. You see this switch underneath it? Click it. Turn it and I with the right so. Yo. No man, look no alright. Look at shoot a long time, brother. Me not look at. Come out of my house, yo.
Somebody says she a Sojie too. Somebody said look like it says she a Sojie too. I see him video. Let me see if I see him.
Come out of my house. Come out of my house, brother. Come out of my house.
Where the one you see everything?
Come out of my house, yo. Wicked man. Yeah, come out of the street. Yeah, come out of my house, no. David? Yeah, you wouldn't know. You would fucking know. But you're there camp every day at Texas, not true? You're not there shoot those and anything, not true? Yo, big man, just pull it front door. Why am I not pull it front door? No man, just pull it front door. You're not for the run. I know you have your gun. Just pull it front door and we're good. No, let me know what you guys have. Pull it front door. Akila, come. Akila, can't believe next man is Bumble. Can't fucking believe this, Akila. I cannot believe this. Akila, we can't fucking believe this. Akila, hermit, pull the fucking door. Alright, you see, look, you see this switch? Underneath it, just turn it. Yo, look, with the right so. I put my gun, I'm Sojie too. But many. Must know me. But I'm instructor from building, must know me. So let's see. You see this switch underneath it? Click it. Turn it and I with the right so. Yo. No man, look no alright. Look, pick it up, I could shoot a long time, brother. Me not look at.
Oh, that one you show everything. You see the brother and thing. Oh, one thing we don't need, me can't depend on who send me this up with it, no, I'm not going to show it because, well, especially the second one, because the second one, you're seeing everything. You see the Bonner man naked and in the instrument. So when we see it, boy, I'm not selling my whatever. One Sonia, the side man have a size, a tool there. Sonia, that you notice, don't it? You know the Bonner man instrument. No, the Bonner man I walk around to try up and think. Well, let me tell you something. First, I want to commend the brother who catch them. Maintain him composure. Big man thing, yeah. Right? Him never go on with nothing. Remember say him guns up, you know. And I surprise him. So him could have go so boom and take them 3 points. Him could have take Akila 3 points, could have take the brother 3 points. And thing, you know. And him control himself and him just say, listen, just go Open the front door, the brother. I don't even know if I open the door. I tell him, just open the door and go on, man. You know, man, whatever, you know. So a long time I pre them, you know. I know what I go on, you know. I line them up and catch them, you know. So I want to commend him, right? That is what I would do. It didn't work, nothing stupid, no violence, nothing did this or whatever. If you want them know, say you catch them, fine, right? So I want to come, that are the biggest thing out of this, the way him not do nothing stupid or whatever. Now, one would say, yeah, but he is doing something by recording them and then putting it on the internet. I guess, yeah. But we have seen so many instances where people have lost control in this situation and have made choices that have resulted in fatalities for respective parties involved. And we don't want people lose them life over this thing, you know, over them something and thing. So that I want. There is strawberry while I go down. Right? So that are the first thing for me big him up for. The second thing is, as a retired boner man, right? But Raga, somebody said the man wife leak it. What on they do? I see somebody post something. Millionaire Greenland, retired. Well, you know, go alone, my woman. But you know about Greenland, hey, Greenland, I want you go on in a car and Zion train cars be a problem over here, you know. No, man, what I say is, well, the brother who catch them, him have a wife too. Well, the man who video them and whatever, him have a wife different from Akila. Well, Ufa wife or the Bonner man wife? Two places. Well, he has a wife and she is the side. Well, for who? Now, I need to be clear because I don't know. Somebody has said, the wife leak it. The wife of who? The man who catch them or the Bonner man? Christina, come now, man. You usually know them something here. The man that catch him. So, the man will catch them, him have a wife, and him a go on. The man will catch them. I kill a fee born a woman, and him born a woman, and born him with a next man. I wear the woman. Listen.
A Mixup An Blenda time.
I saw it go. Lisa said no. Because it's his house. Christina said no. Well, you explain it to me now, and that me ask it. Well, I feel more, so you might tell the man, so I know say I feel in place. So who keep on and say, the wife leak it? Who for wife? And that me asking up to now, me not see nobody tell me who for wife. The Bonner man wife? Well, I don't even know who are the Bonner man right now. As back in the day, Karen Wildman used to say, don't mix up the mix up. K is the husband leak it. Trumpy said the Bonner man wife. Say, different people. Yes, and the next man said, Akila, you really bring me to the next man yard. Yeah, I saw, this is something like that. Because me did I try to pick up that like him. I say, yo, you do me wrong, yeah, so you know be. Yeah, me hear him say something that. Me hear him say something along them lines, man. It's like.
Come out of my house. Come out of my house, brother. Come out of my house. Come out of my house. Come out of my house, brother. Come out of my house.
No, I didn't catch them right tonight, you know, because, you know, see, dog body stiff. His dog body long and stiff. Well, I mean for sound away, you know, but you see, no matter about them maga man there, you know, I'm telling you, the woman, them tell about them maga man there, you know, he said the dog body long and stiff.
Yo, big man, just pull it from me.
Hold on.
No, man.
Me hear the Bonner man say.
Come out of my house, brother. Come out of my house. Come out of my house, yo. Wicked man.
Yeah, come out the street.
Yeah, come out of my house, no. Say what?
I don't know all this.
Yeah, you wouldn't know. You would fucking know. But you're there camp every day at Texas, not true? You're not there shoot house and anything, not true? Yo, big man, just pull the front door.
Why me have pull the front door?
No man, just pull the front door. You're not for nothing. You know you have your gun. Just pull the front door and we're good.
No, let me know what you guys have.
Pull the front door. Akila, come.
Akila, really?
Can't believe.
Next man gets bumble.
Can't fucking believe this.
Oh, yeah. See, that me did I ask you know what I'm saying, you know. Akila, you carry me go on next man place, bumble. John, no, Akila, why you do that? Akila, why you do it? Right? Akila. Oh, if you carry the man go on next man place, Akila, you don't know the road code. John, Akila, you violate right there, so. Right? I mean, I absolve him of responsibility because him a go woman yard. So I say nowadays, if you're a boner man and thing, have your hotel fee, have your hotel money. No go on a woman yard, that's how the world around right now. 2 reasons make you enough to go woman yard right now. Right? 2 reasons make you enough to go woman yard. Listen to Mass Raga, all man out there. 2 reasons make you enough to go woman yard. And I guess, why I don't know. Ladies don't have to think about it too. You see, there's something in camera. People will live. For the young people, them it's just automatic. It's just them born in the camera age and them no know no different. We who never grew up with a camera or something there. When we are ghetto, you know, the only time we get picture take, you know, we have to go park, you know. I have some cameraman with some Polaroid camera, you know. And you pose with your little girlfriend and them take a picture and they come out right away out of the camera, you know. And then shake it. And then shake it and you have to wait, you know, until you see the thing come out. That was our picture. That was our picture. Now, if you want your passport size picture now, you still go to them, man. Or somebody I talk about photo studio. Listen to me, man. Before photo studio, before ghetto people start go photo studio, go take picture. Remember, ghetto people will never go photo studio. Right? We never go photo studio. We never go photo studio. We from ghetto, we never go photo studio. A Polaroid picture we did we work with, right? And then the photo studio thing come in when who have look of money. You have one photo studio, they name Brian. And them used to run the place. This a town side. I don't know Mandeville or Montego be important too. But town side that Brian photo studio, and them used to run the place, all right? See it? Sharp Sweetness, you want to see the whole video? Come and show you. Come over and show you the video. I show you the whole video. Here, Sharp, come. But anyway, yeah, right? And we never, and Photo Express, right? We never picture that. No, it's a picture time now. A video time now. Right? I write a book or whatever. I can't tell you how many times me and people I say, like, when the book come up, them I say, one time me and somebody say, you gonna have a video for the book? I said, what you just asked me? No, but I say, yeah, if you gonna have a video for the book, I say it's my autobiography. Or if I have a video for my autobiography. But you want me? I don't have nothing ever film. And I must say, oh, yeah. But we're nobody now to read. Right? A video I run, a picture, a video I run the thing now in a raga. Exactly. To the point where they're making nonsensical proposals, right? Like, you're gonna have a video for your autobiography. Your autobiography is your whole life before, you know, but like, oh, you want a video. And they do have video autobiographies, but I'm on different time now. So what may I say now? If you is a do so now. You have to be careful, you know, if you're not in with somebody, you know, you have to wait till you're really in with somebody before you go so and go touch them yard, you know. You can't go take a one piece and then go a people yard nowadays, yo. I'm just saying, man, I'm telling no one for do, not grown people. Right? Can the soldier who video and release it get fired from camp? Yup, they can. Yes, soldiers get fired all the time. They're held to a higher standard than police in terms of how they must conduct themselves 24/7. Let me say that again. Soldiers are held to a higher standard than police in terms of what they're allowed to do outside. Military is very disciplined, way more disciplined than the police forces. So what may I say is, nowadays you can't have a camera to write it right on the, you can't people you have camera kind of right on your tip of your pen right there, so you know. Yeah. Somebody can stay so with a pen, you know, and the camera the right yeah, so you know, and you don't know, you know. Right? So based on that now, why you going to take out your body in some strange place with woman where you just meet? It don't make no sense to me. You understand? Unless you're not talk for a long time or whatever, I don't know. And, you know, you pass certain, because at some point, you still have to go do something, right? So, if they must set you up, they must set you up, you know? Right? So, trees, some meta glasses there and thing and whatever. Yeah, you have them, you know, meta have the rear band them with video upon it now and these things and whatever, you know? So, you can't too careless with your pum-pum and your body now. And video will reach you, certainly we are. Crazy blackmail to your thing, you understand? And then the other thing when I say is, we in a video time now, people, I can't tell you how many video me see with Bonaman get light up, you know, whole heap of shot in them, you know. You don't see the video them, well, I don't know, probably the algorithm them now send them to, but a whole heap of video me see. People video, people are, you know, assault out, whatever. Me say, yo, them Spanish people, they're crazy. When I say Spanish speaking people. Spanish speaking people. People, they're crazy. Me don't know. Them just have a thing for make video and kill people when time then catch them with them man and them woman. Right? Mostly man, but all woman catch them man too with woman and light them up, you know, man. But a lot of them Spanish, South America, them come from Brazil. You see, enough of them come from Brazil. Right? Colombia. Right? Chile, Paraguay. It's a thing with them. The Dominican Republic, it's a thing with them, you know. If you catch you, right there in America, if you catch you whatever, the Mexican them, if you catch your part, you know, your woman and your man about you and whatever, and if you video it, I light them up, just I light them up so and thing and whatever, and then just go put the car, them now show themselves, you know, obviously, you know. I don't know, but most of the video with them, so if you take a Spanish woman or a Spanish man right, you know, I don't know. You might want to be careful, you understand? So me I say a hotel for do it, man. Right? They want a hotel for do it. And don't too repeat your hotel either, you know, make anybody to know your movements and them look at Yo, it's a crazy world out there. So it's a Sojie Ketch, Sojie, I shell out Sojie. I hear what she name. Aquila, you know, or if you want to mispronounce the name, Aquila. Yeah, Aquila. But Aquila, she go wrong this or do. But I know, me not get the story straight, you know. If I'm woman, but he might talk like I'm woman and a theme place, so that we know. So she bring the other man come at the man place. Right? Right? She bring one big body man come at the man place. And that's supposed to at him right there now, you know, cause the brother were there, you know, him body big. So all the theme body no big, so or whatever and thing like that. It must, that must mash up him head, yo. She bring one bigger body man in her place and I take his shillings and thing. And say it long, too sexy for y'all. She see, it long. I want long body, man. Phenomenal. I said, she would have to leave my place. Well, yeah. Christina said, it nice. And the body sheriff. When say Christina, one nice body, don't. Yeah, when I God. No, but may I say, if him not have that lesbian thing and whatever, the psychological impact, it's gonna be quite devastating for him, demoralizing, emasculating. You know what I'm saying? Right? Carolee. Look what Carolee right. I want to see the video, I want to see the body. You see it? Me tell you, me tell you, no fool me Carolee fool, Don't make Carolee fool, okay? Sonia says, Sojie have a good looking body. Yeah, no. Empress said that is why she believe in poly relationship. Don't. A chumpy said, Raga send me the video. Some other people are asking it now, but send it to your chumpy because I'm still right there. But I want that.
Can't fucking believe.
Can't believe it. Or she a papa, so yeah. You believe it now, do. Let's see if chumpy in another phone. Yes, man. Chumpy there, man. Chumpy, me send it. Dog say can't believe it. You see it? All right. That's the other thing, All right? I don't know me I go sound redundant now. Pat, man, me sing so I still with a big people argument. You hear what me say, right? Him say him can't believe it. So him basically I say him can't believe it. Say him get born. That is something you will never hear me say. Right? Now, is it possible for you there with somebody who you say, nah, she not born me? Yeah, it's possible. You have some people just not stay so. But does it mean that you know for a fact say she would never do it? You don't know. That's like saying you know the future. Nobody knows the future. But you can't deal with somebody and say, nah, I don't see it happening. But remember what I always tell you. It is a logical fallacy. It's a fallacy of logic to think that something that has happened to billions of people before you could never, ever happen to you. That's like saying you are special, right? I hate to burst your bubble, but you cannot drive down the road and you obey all of the traffic rules. And somebody who is driving under the influence come crashing at you and mash you up. You did nothing wrong. You did nothing wrong. OG the trucker, you say you need a good advice. Yeah, you can come talk to me. All right? You did nothing wrong. But did this happen before? Yes, it has happened before. Irresponsible drivers run up in an innocent people and take them 3 points or injure them or whatever. And it's an uncomfortable reality in life, but some things more remote than others. Lightning strike people. Is it a high probability that lightning will strike you? No. But could it happen to you? Yes. So It doesn't make any sense. It's unsound logic because of your fears and what you don't want to happen to you. To think that something, an event that has happened to billions of people before you and that is happening to millions of people right now, right? Millions of people right this minute I get born. Right this minute as we speak, burning and going. Body I send up in this. Body I get lick off. Chun I get lick out. Some people are lick round my back. All kind of things are going right, you know. And for you to think that somehow that will never ever happen to you, it's fallacious. Right? So when him say he can't believe, and this is something that I thought about. Like my preoccupation was, what is it that make men snap and just start kill people, so whatever? And then I realize the mistake that my mother make. It's arrogance on the part of men, right? That's why it's less likely that a woman will kill everybody when she catch her man and get born. They do, but it's less likely that them going to do what man do. You know, them woman will more likely ball it out. Why? Because women already understand, them have understanding that man get born. Right? So you have women who like still end up and say, I can't believe it or whatever. But somewhere there's an understanding that men get born. You know, man are going to do that, you know, whatever. So, and that is why women know, you know, remember, you know, it's not expecting it. It's a shock of it that causes people to behave in ways that are just fatally, you know, consequential. So the idea is that women, whether overtly or subliminally, not put burning past man. So when it happens, they're less likely to be as shocked to the point where they do something stupid. Men, now, they're conditioned along those lines to think that, you know, this whole thing, good woman, you know, she love you and care, she not burn you and this and that and whatever. And you know, a man with them double standard and them arrogance. A woman can't do what a man do and still be a lady. Tie the heifer, the female cow, loose the bull, Jamaican saying. So men are conditioned that way to think that they're entitled to that, right? Which itself is self-defeating, and it's dangerous to you for a man to think that not only that you can't get born, but that you're not supposed to get born. The best thing, men, you could do for yourself is to appreciate a woman who you have, who you say, nah, it's highly unlikely that she would ever do it. But if she does it, hey, something happened to me that has been happening to billions of people, before trillions of people before me throughout history. And you get over it. Don't do anything stupid. And don't believe you can't get born. Don't believe you will never get born. Because enough time the people who born you, them never even didn't intend for born you, right? They just reach a point that when them end up a do it and say them something got happen between you and them end up a do it, you know? So even them don't even know, say them did end up a born you 3 months down the road, 1 year down the road, 2 years down the road. So when them did all tell you, say them never ever born you, they really meant it. Them just never know what them did go do down the road or whatever. And again, I am not telling you nothing that our elders have not told us before. Again, I am not telling you anything here that people before say, you've heard it before. Trust no one in a certain way. Meaning, don't believe that somebody will never ever do certain things to you. Again, at the same time, it doesn't mean that you can't be in a relationship where you say, well, I'm give thanks to that man, you know, I'm give thanks to that woman, you know, because I'm different or she different, proven. Yeah, me know say that person is solid and thing or whatever. you have some people them, you know, they just saw them stay, them just now go do it, you know. Right? But see woman get born, you know. And decide she go burn back him man. Me know enough woman get born, you know, and go burn back him man, you know, for them personal satisfaction, you know. Yeah, man, they're just for them. And the man don't know, and then burn him back. Them personal satisfaction. Yeah, next set of woman who get born back him man and make him man know. Say, you go take woman, me go take man too, right? But me see woman, you know, get born, you know, and say them I go born back man, you know. And when them go there, you know, and everything line up and them I take your body, then just start bawling. I can't do this, I can't do this, I can't do that. I can't do this. I'm just doing it to hurt you, but I can't. No, I don't want to. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do this to you. I'm so sorry. But I can't. It's just not me. Right. Well, we OG, you there? OG. OG the trucker. Come tell me about this something, man. Raga tap chat me. Right? Oh, him said, no, it's personal. Oh, OG. All right, then. OG, I forgot link me up differently then. Here. 516-500 0210. Just send your link. 516-500 0210. 516-500 0210. Right. Okay. So what may I say is some people just stay so. Right? Some people just I'll when them justified it, forgive them person, but them still can't do it. And I just not for them thing. DJ Zion saying if a woman are go burn him, please burn him with that woman. Him woman for burn him with that woman. God. Well, I wanna know my philosophy upon that. Me have the bulletproof for that right now. Me have the bulletproof for that. I'm not stop me gonna know that. There's nothing more liberating and freeing from a vice that has held trillions of people throughout the history of humanity, that has been the source of great wars, that has been the source for the demise of entire civilizations. On every continent, except Antarctica, of course, nobody lives there, right? Than the phenomenon of cheating or bunning. It has caused so many problems in the world, I think. And like I said, I have thought about this extensively. And it has to start from the mind. The problem must necessarily commence from the mind. Right? We are only human beings because we can think, interpret, define, and explain cause and effect relationships. That's what makes us human beings. So the problem starts from here. So bonding is not about the sex. It's about the mind. It's about the construction in the mind. Because the act of sex by itself, it has to be subjected to an interpretation, a label, a definition, a cultural definition to characterize it, to give it meaning. And that is why a man and a woman can't get together. Two men get together, two women get together. And if one say, you can't go have sex with a person, and them say, okay, and them go have sex with a person, it's not bunning, it's not cheating. Because the mind define it. But it's the same sex they might have with somebody else. So it's not the act that's the problem. Is what I go on here say, but uno, a lot of uno make the act the problem. And the way uno make the act the problem, uno think uno own people body and uno own people pum pum. So if you don't have the capacity to elevate yourself from that, you're free from burning. The people them own them body, the people them own them pum pum. You can love somebody and say, no, that person and now the so and so and so and so. But it's not your pum pum and it's not your body. And at any day, for any reason, that person may decide to them about give to somebody else, which they're entitled. If they choose not to, out of respect for you or love for you, give thanks to that. But don't live your life saying that they will never do it and then really believe it. And then if it happen or you lose your friggin' mind or whatever, and then you have to blame them for do what them want to do it with them own pan fit them body and things like that, like a damn media. Right? And once you reach a state there, if you can, which is difficult to do, don't fall for the okie doke when them flip on you. Oh, you don't love me. If you didn't love me, you wouldn't even not think so and whatever, because you don't care and whatever. Fuck them. You're there with somebody and them say that and you go tell them, say, yo, you do what you want to do, you know. I can't tell you what me expect from you. And I can't tell you, say, yeah, me's a jealous man. And whatever. When me there with a woman, I tell her, I say, yeah, what I go on. I live what me teach, you know. And when me in a your pum pum, that pum pum, they belong to me. When me now see you, me don't know what you do with that pum pum, they are just reality, and that are just my protection. So I don't want you feel now here, you know. Yeah, me and you there. Two of you are juggling and whatever. But are you for know yourself? And if me at a point where I say, no, I don't see you do that. I don't see you do it. But if you is a woman and you push me and you say you want me, if you say 100% sure, say you would never ever burn me, you not get that ras from me. Right? And that is for my protection. Because that is a problem. Right? Burning must necessarily be a betrayal that the mind understand to be so. You must have an agreement. You can't get burned without an understanding that this is the agreement and this is the expectation. Hence, a violation of the expectation then results in a burning. But if you say, I don't own a pum pum, even the one where you're in every night, or the one where you love, or the good one the way you're in. If a lady can say she don't own a body, right? And you start from this, so, and the agreement in your mind is, I don't expect you to go out there and be with somebody else apart from me. And if you can have that understanding, yeah. Because some woman love when a man do that. I say, no, you're my woman. Some woman love that something there, you know. Some woman love a man, you know, look a bit possessive and thing, you know. Makes you feel special, you know. If it's real, you know. Like, you know, say, yeah, you know, really think about it. And again, me attack you as a man, you know. I don't think women are going to, you know, be, you know, totally comfortable with the man who them care about and love. I said to them, go do what you want, go do what you want, do what you want. Me not care. It's just like, you know what I say? So yeah, if you make your woman know or make your partner know you appreciate them certain way, so make them know so them special. Particularly if they're really special. Yeah, people love when they're in a relationship for know so there is something unique about this. And when I'm straight up dating, it's just like, yo, I am with you because, you know, we're doing this because, you know, people like to feel good. I'm saying just don't take that to the level where you think you own the person, or, as in the case of men, or you give him a pum pum. I never hear nothing so absurd. You give him a pum pum. And if men, even in the slightest, understand the history of patriarchy and the ownership of women and women being chattel and property and whatever, And if you're educated about these things in a way where you said, okay, I'm not going to subject myself to those conventions because I may think I'm in a position of power or whatever, but there's something very different if you say, I am the owner of this phone. And if you put on the phone, you know that phone not going any place else but right where you put it. Yeah. You own this, you put it there, so you take it up when you want to take it up. Apply that to a human being now. Apply that to a woman. Apply that to a woman who you take for granted. Apply that for a woman who you know love her, she do what she want to be loved. Apply that to a woman who you abuse. Apply that to a woman. And then you just have the absurdity of a good thing say, no, she ain't gonna do anything. She's not supposed to. I just think it's stupid. So my thing is, they say as long as the agreement there in my mind, you can't burn me. And that is power. That is power. And again, me tell you all the while, say the knowledge out there, right? And me to go on my little journey for reach us. And one of the things that when I do is when I was studying Buddhism. I'm not a Buddhist and whatever, but I learned from stuff. And it just struck me when I was studying Buddhism that it says the source of all problems, all human problems, they say it's attachment. And again, I implore you all, you have these little books out there on Amazon. Just get a little book, Introduction to Buddhism. Right? There's a whole bunch of things out there, but I think that this one can help you understand what I try to tell you. And them say the source of all problems, any anxiety where you have, any pain or hurt where you have, it has to do with attachment. And them say it's your attachment to things that leads to problem. So it logically follows then if you don't attach to anything, again, which is a mental process, it's a psychological endeavor, it's an exercise that necessarily has to be cerebral. So if you're not attached to anything, it can't hurt you. You're not going to have no expectations that correspond with the attachment that, if breached, will result in, your hurt or your pain. Because remember, hurt and pain, again, it's psychological. Remember, you have the physical, the biological, and you have the psychological, right? So, if I joke you with a fork, that is pain, because you joke with a fork. That's the physical. But when somebody go cheap on you, say you hurt me, and the person never touch you, and you feel your body, you don't want to eat, your appetite gone, you get sick, you get depressed, you feel down and whatever. So yes, the body is doing all kinds of things, but the hurt is here. It's all mental. And the hurt is based on a breach of an agreement that you had in your head. The hurt is based on, as I always say, that resonates with me when I read the Buddhist book them, and think me always say, all disappointments, every disappointment you have gone through, is based on unfulfilled expectations. None of you can tell me a disappointment that you have gone through that wasn't based on unfulfilled expectation. Unfulfilled expectation with people, but also with yourself. If you take a exam and you not pass the exam, or you not get the grade where you want, you expected to get a grade. You wanted a certain grade, and you not get it, so you feel disappointed. If you chew a stone up in a mango tree and it not lick none of the mango them or whatever, you're upset. Your expectation was for the stone to lick the mango, and then the mango drop and you get it. every disappointment is based on some degree of unfulfilled expectations. And those expectations, in the grand scheme of things, they're tied to your attachment. And the attachment can be to your new dresser. It not have to be just relationship. People lose their mind when they lose something precious because they're attached to it. The chain when my grandmother give me my last thing or whatever, or my wedding ring or whatever, you're attached to it. The car mash up, you're attached to it because that's why you feel the depression and the upset. And you have expectations aligned with the attachment. So again, it follows. If you can control your attachment mentally, if you can control your expectations tied to the attachment, you will end up controlling your disappointments. If you have that perpetual awareness of what you're attaching to or what, if you can appreciate something, enjoy something or someone without becoming so attached to them that you have these expectations, then that thing owns you emotionally, psychologically. It controls you. And it's not it because it's not an autonomous object that is acting on you. It's what's going on in your mind that you oppress yourself. So that is why some people bun can reach them and they don't care less or whatever, because they'll be like, yeah, I mean, I love her, but what if I do? If she decide if I go give her so and so or whatever. Some woman will say, no, I love him. I really love him. I really love him for true. I mean, I really love, but what am I going to do? If him decide to go, they're going to use him body for somebody else. Yeah, some people are like that because they love without that degree of attachment with the expectations them were attached to it. For say, any of this happen, I must dead. I must dead. I couldn't manage that. I go dead. All of them born me this. You have some people that talk it out, I'm just saying, yeah, I am so into that and whatever. And then also the way love is defined in the world, that is called real love, a total surrender. You're my everything, and you're the air that I breathe. Them things sounds good, doesn't it? They sound wonderful, no? They sound powerful, no? Yeah, they sound good. And I guess when you're in that state, you're in a realm of like, wow, just to be immersed in this love is incredible or whatever, You're the air that I be. I don't want any woman for be the blood clot air where me breathe. You must rush, man. Why me I gonna give you that control over me? Eh? Why me I gonna give you that control over me? You must mad to ras and this. So when you take away the ear and run gone home, me I go manage right, And me I go I call you back. Me can't even talk because you need ear for breathe. And you gone with the ear where me breathe. I know I'm not gonna and you gone with all of the ear where me for breathe. You mad? Right? Right? I don't know which man can't go to. I need a man to love. But see them on the internet, I want a man to be obsessed for me. And I want a man to. Fuck that. Me don't know why, you are my everything, right? When I lie them out, I am nothing without you. Seriously? Seriously? Yeah, we have people in relationships with. Then you wonder why people kill people. Yeah, people I love, I am nothing. I'm just so nothing without her. I just can't imagine even going on without her. Like, so if you're nothing without that person, then when that person left and think, why even go on? you're not the purpose in life. You're nothing, right? I don't want to be in a relationship where I'm nothing. I want to be in a relationship where I'm just like, yo, I am fortunate to have met this person. I am fortunate to be in a relationship with this person. I don't believe in good luck and bad luck. I believe in choices. Again, I don't believe in good luck and bad luck. I believe in choices. So I want to be like, yo, I made a good choice here. I love this woman. I feel good because I made a damn good choice here. Because I'm happy because of the choice that I made. Because remember, nobody can make you happy. You know, you have to make yourself happy. Nobody can make anybody else happy. You make yourself happy, right? So yeah, that's something there where you can be like, yo, I really love this woman. I'm happy with this woman, This woman makes me happy. This woman helps me to make myself happy. That's what I mean. But like boom. And can enjoy that and can immerse yourself in that. And still have the wherewithal to know that if this woman, just get up and say, fuck you, you'd be like, damn, I loved you and whatever. It's disappointing and thing and whatever, but I guess you're moving on. It doesn't feel good. And that's okay. No, I'm not saying you're not supposed to feel anything. You're all human. It's just you have to control the feelings. You have to recognize them for what they are, and control them. And just don't do anything stupid. Because you were never loving in a way. You were loving, but never loving in a way where I am nothing without you. You are my everything. You're the air that I breathe. And I can't go on without you. I could never live without. What the song then go? And I'm sitting there. No, I'm not upon that. It is a responsibility of all human beings. Your first responsibility is to be able to take care of you. When the rest of the world turn against you, you must be able to take care of yourself. And the way that you ensure that you can take care of yourself is, you're going to have ups and downs like anybody else. But when you have your downs, you must have been making choices that when your downs reach you, you have the wherewithal to still take care of you. So, and that would mean that when you make your choices on love, you can love hard, you can love deep and whatever. But like me always say, like the rest of them say, don't fall in love. The rest of them say, falling is not a good thing. So that have a subliminal impact on you. It's a kind of surrender, a total surrender. So them to stand in love. Right? And that's the Rasta's rhetorical way of saying love. They're not saying don't love. Love. Love, love, love. Love as deep as you want to love. But still recognize your responsibility to have the wherewithal to take care of yourself in case the worst happens. But women, you do it too. You do it in other ways. You just make society convince and say, you know, for do it when come with relationship and whatever. It's the whole principle of your get back money, your contingency. Right? Won't I always say anything can happen, so make sure say you have your insurance. Now that don't say. So why you don't apply that to your life in general? Anything can happen, make sure you have your get back money. Don't you do that? Anything can happen, make sure say you have your backup, don't it? Contingency, don't it? Anything can happen, going on, but make sure say you have something safe where you can protect yourself with. Don't. And that don't say. So why then you're not gonna love somebody who you're nothing without them? Where the contingency there? Where the backup there? Where the protection there for yourself? Where you for make sure you're there for yourself? That's why me can't get born. Right? Cause when me in and a pum pum, they me own it, you know. Yeah. I mean, I pum pum, I talk up beer things. Yeah, wind it off and go on with the something them and things, see? When me in it, I mean that no. You can't tell me otherwise. I mean I my pum pum yeah, right? I mean I don't want to feel no come in it. But once me come out of that, it's not my pum pum anymore. It was in my pum pum with me in it, you know. But I can't feel like it come in it. Because empirically I can ascertain I am the one here now. Nobody else not in there. But when me come out of it, you just ground yourself back in reality, you know? And men who do this, it's just absurd, you know, because man can't even bond like woman. The man don't bond good like woman and whatever, you understand? So, you know, for things that you can, you know, lead the game this, you know, right? And listen to me. Even in a relationship, nobody get in them conversation too much because some people can't manage it because they're conditioned to hear this type of reasoning and think like, oh, so you're loving me with conditions. Then that's not real love, or you know, they'll say some shit like that. So if you can avoid, if you're thinking like I am, and you can avoid having this conversation with your partner, you should. Because a lot of people out there, they can't handle this type of reasoning. Because they're trained, they're conditioned to think that there's something suspicious about it. But I submit to you that if you really look back and check out certain things or observe or whatever, the people who have led successful lives and have been happy and have had control over their lives where certain things certain things happen to them and them don't lose it and be devastated. Those are the people who think the way that I'm telling you right now. Self-control. But self-control don't just happen like that. It's happened from your choices and the choices you make and the interpretation that you have in your mind about what they mean, you know? And that is why my choices I make is not to ever believe, say, I can't ever get burned. That's the first thing, right? So, you know, in terms of like you're there with somebody and them not giving them thing out, right? And then again, me understand, say, burning have to be based. It cannot be. It cannot be anything outside of an agreement that you're not going to do this thing. Or else it cannot be burning. It cannot be cheating. It cannot be, you know, burning. So for me, don't get in the agreement. And if, in order for burning to take place, we have to have that agreement. Then if me not get in an agreement, then me can't get burned. And then again, you know, the agreement is in your mind. So remember, you know, burning is you give away what belongs to me or whatever this different thing them say. So me, you know, say, no, it don't belong to me. It belong to you. I can't hype when me in it and go like it belong to me. Or, yeah, we're together and yeah, me not go out for you. I mean, I expect you for go, me not want you for go out for me. But if you do, par for the course. Like, you know, it's your body, it's you and whatever. So I'm not going down that path to think that, oh, you know, our vows to each other is such that I didn't think you would do it. You know, me can't believe you do this. Me can't believe you do this, right? Right? Anybody me do it, and if she born me, as what she calls she born me, you never hear me say, me can't believe you do this. I'm telling you already, you know. If me come home, you know, right? On a board with this, it's redundant, but you know, don't know a ragga thing. If me come home, you know, and say I'm gonna shell out my woman, you know. with one body 5 times the size of mine when I whatever, me peeping, you know, and see her a boom off a body in a way where she never boom off with me yet, you know. Me I take time, lock back the door and make them finish doing them and do. I'm serious. Because I'm weird like that too, you know. If you ain't gonna burn me with a good fuck. Okay? Like, you know, if you say you're gonna burn me, right? It kind of like Liam if you go, you know, if it's about the sex, you know, because a lot of time cheating is not even about the sex. But for me, if you're gonna do it, yeah, get something better than me. You know, some people them can't manage the thing with better than them. For me, I'd be different. I'd be like, yo, she got something better. So that's good. She a step up. I knew what she was right. She have ambition. She always a move up. Right? Yeah. Well, most men don't think like that, you know. Most men see better and them lose them their mind. Them a try find some way to convince themselves of what is obviously better based on her response and what she do or whatever. Them a try them get crazy trying to figure out some way to say it's not better because selfishness, you know. But you're not gonna tell them say them not gonna understand the selfishness there, you know. Them are gonna, you know, say I feel them ego and them want to feel better and whatever and thing like, oh please. And when we say better, it's not about size, you know, but just talk about whatever, you know, because, you know, if you only think size, particularly in reference to women, then you don't understand women and why women will end up giving now, whatever. And that being said, I don't want to contradict myself. Nowadays, women are more liberated, and I would like to remind you that the so-called burning and cheating is not hard and fast, as so many of you think about it, right? Burning, the definition of burning and cheating is not hard and fast as how some people look at it, you know. There are people who are in a relationship that they're not leaving, and they'll go do a little thing with somebody and whatever, but them not hate the person who them with and whatever. They're different. They're different. There's a multiplicity of reasons why people do things out there now, you know. And one of those is women have become way more liberated now where they appreciate the pleasures of sex and that they can make a choice to do something with somebody out there. And what they're really doing is on the, in my opinion, this is just my characterization of it, is that there's a lot of women, particularly older women now, who are engaging in sex outside of their partnership and their union. And them not left them husband or them man, but women are freer now to enjoy sex and for different reasons, you know. Let me give you an example. There are women in relationship right now and them now left them husband and them man. But the husband knows say him think no 100 anymore. And him know say him no want leave him wife, I'm not leave him woman. She know she not leave him. And she go do a thing and get pleasure. Him suspect, him da 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 da. But him no want know. And she no want in other position for make him know, because that's going to just change the whole dynamic. And she do her thing. No, I am one of them who tell you, said, that is not really cheating. It's an implicit agreement. Nothing is stated overtly, but there's an unconscious, there's an implicit understanding there between the parties. Right? There are people right now in varying degrees of open relationships that they would rather not say to each other that it's open relationship. But they both accept it. There are men right now in a relationship who know a woman me and do a look at thing out there and whatever, but him not go look for it. And him a do for him thing, him not go look for it. But on some level, like both of them just reach that stage with them relationship where like, hey, we're gonna stay together, man, but You know, things get so routinized after 10, 15, 20, 25 years and whatever. Like, you know, boom, boom, boom. Him take care of the house, same way. She take care of the house, same way. Him take care of her, she take care of him, and them do them thing. I'm just giving you different permutations of stuff out there that you can't you can't just look on it and say, oh, about them, whatever, because there's different things going on out there. And there's many more. You know, but it's not black and white, hard and fast as like the olden days, you know, right? Like so much has changed now, you know. People are more flexible now. There are more layers to the thing. And people are doing their thing in ways that they within themselves say, you know what? This is what it is, but I know people wouldn't understand it. So them no need for know. Let me say that again. There are people out there doing their thing, you know, in different ways, you know, and in each situation it's unique in its own way. Why they're doing it. And you know, somewhere in their mind they'll say, yeah, this is okay for us. But you know what? People wouldn't understand it. So I'm not gonna explain this to anybody. And if me I do my thing, even with the person who them I do them thing, them not really explain that. Them tell them away with them, you know, cause them not gonna understand, you know. Yeah, and but just I say some different things are going on there, you know. So I don't mean to contradict myself. But just I tell you, say life is lived in the gray areas, you know. It's not black and white, the two extremes. It's in the gray areas. And within the gray areas, you have trillions of different configurations that are possible there, you know. But at the end of the day, be happy, right? Do not constrict yourself to things or people in a way that is self-destructive. And give some thought to being in a union, being in a relationship with somebody who you care about, with whom you prioritize, with whom you say you love or so forth, in a way where you don't surrender yourself totally or believe that what they say, it's romantic to do so, to surrender your mind totally, you know, to that person or to that scenario with that person where you are nothing without them, or they are the air that you breathe, you know, and you're the sun in my life, and without you there's total and unending darkness, and da 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 da, and my life without you is darker than 1,000 midnights. Sounds good, doesn't it? Sounds poetic, doesn't it? It's bullshit, right? No, it may sound good in a song, and it may sound, you know, you wax lyrical, and that's cool. That's cool. I'm just saying, be careful if you start believing it. Be careful if you start believing it and you end up surrendering all your autonomy to something else out there that you cannot control, when the only person you can control is yourself. And in controlling yourself, you control how you think, right? Saw a video, the main man calling the Bonner man. The Bonner man hung up the phone upon him. Yeah, that the Bonner man for do. That the Bonner man for do. Right? Me hold that. From my old school Bonner man, me hold that. That the Bonner man for do. And if him ask you anything about the woman, deny it right down to the ground. Me and her never do nothing. You have to protect her. Right? And when them know you old, you and her never do nothing. Nothing, you and her do. Yeah. I stand by that. See it? Yeah, man, have to protect her, man.
No close, Raga.
What kind of sound that in her background?
No sound in my background. I mean, I shot me alone in here. I go and we out some Camille.
When you say we out, what you mean?
put in a scale, weigh out 1 pound and 2 pound.
So what you do, and then you wrap it up the way, then wrap it up a shop at Jamaica.
No, them something that long time days, Raga. I'm a plastic bag now. You have bags that come in a 4x7. Them have them size.
Well,
so you have 1 pound bag and you have 2 pound bag.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Them not do that. Some do with the white paper when they fold it over and make and then wrap up the two end. Them not do that anymore. Elaine, I'm getting old, man. I'm getting old. Well, and a long time them stop that, no?
Long time. Them used to do that, and then them start the brown paper bag like what patty coming out, and then that cut out now the plastic bag.
Yo, Elaine, me don't even know the brown paper bag fears, you know. No, man, I don't know the brown paper. The only one I know about the white, the white one. You throw the flour and the caramel in at the middle, and then you bring up the two ends, you roll it down at the middle, and then you roll up the two end them, and people who work at shop fast on it.
Yes,
boom,
man.
pound of flour. Oh, so now you're putting a plastic bag now?
Plastic bag, the clear bag.
Oh.
So, me in the shop, but me come out and come in my room because you know if them see the light and pass by, we are pass, you know. And from them see the light and in the shop, them are come call 1 cigarette.
And when them no want nothing done.
One that.
And
them want it, but from them see the light and them now pass straight. And go on about them business.
Oh, okay. You know, I'm gonna drink right now, man, some caramel porridge.
Okay. You can make it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you have to know what you're doing now, you still lump up on you.
What you see me? Oh, you're not see me, but you see me before you even start talk. You see me at me circle my hand on this, right? Because me no know how Munchie she love it lumpy. Me no know why. What you laugh for?
No, sir, my caramel porridge is smooth.
Yeah, she love it lumpy. Like when Munchie make caramel porridge and you look and you think she have the bread in there already, but no bread not in there.
Wow.
A lumpy, and she not put no bread in there. Yeah. But she said she like it that way there, but I don't. You know, so I don't like caramel porridge too thick either.
Okay. Me not like it watery and me not like it thick like you have to cut it.
Yeah, but you know, some people love thick caramel porridge though, right?
Me know.
Yeah, me not like it. Yeah, me like that mid-range there, yeah. Me like that mid-range. Enough for too watery and thing and whatever, and enough for too, yeah.
Like how you get it at a place there when you point out the caramel porridge, so caramel porridge look. How would it make it?
No, that was a TamFam get together.
Yeah. Me know, man.
Yeah, that was when we were in Orlando. I wouldn't make the porridge. Me know. Well, the people who did that cook, you know, was Papa Ants and who they cook that day there? Papa Ants and well, remember say them give me name Cook and Dash way, you know, so and me cook.
The porridge did look drinkable or eatable because some people say not drink porridge, drink or eat.
I drink porridge, drink, make them go. I drink porridge, drink.
But it did look drinkable. That's better if you make porridge the next day.
Right. Oh, you mean when Bev see that porridge, it inspires her to make porridge the next day, don't it?
Yes, the next day is a porridge woman, you know, she love her porridge and she love ackee. Me can't love ackee, no dear.
No, me love ackee. Me never love ackee when me a picnic, but me love it now.
No, so me eat it, my body have to feel for ackee, and me say, Babsy, you can get 6 ackee for me, and me just cook that and shell it down.
Oh, 6?
Just 6 pod.
So, just 6 pod?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
know a whole heap of Aki.
My problem with Aki up here though is that I am not good with distinguishing taste. Like you have some people who just rate some people, you know, them might eat and them we say like, oh, look at them never put enough garlic in it, or me taste the oregano, or, you know, they would just pick out some things and I'm like, you know, them just whatever. My thing with Aki, you see, if it's not a Jamaican cook it, me know. Yeah, it's like the Jamaican like who can cook, them cook Aki a particular way. Well, some we still eat it, you know, but it's like me just love it when Jamaican cook it because you know Aki have a blandness about it. So if the seasoning not there, it not have the taste, you know, because Aki by itself is like, you know. Aki by you have people up here, you know, them cook Aki and you know things are scrambled egg, you know. You think I drop me a make?
No.
You know, scrambled egg yellow and look and whatever. Yeah, man, yeah, people up here, them into that something there because them claim say them no one. Them have a word up here, spicy. Right? People who are not Jamaican, them use spicy for mean seasoning or pepper. Seasoning or pepper. And a lot of people up here, them don't like seasoning, them used to bland. So them don't like spicy. So you have people who cook Aki up here and chew them not like spicy. And it yellow. And it come out, crush up. It look like scrambled egg. It look like scrambled egg.
I mean, I like Aki will go in a fridge. Like you'd have picked the Aki, like say Aki season and you season, and you got enough Aki and you freeze the Aki, and then you know when Aki kind of come out of season, now you know say you have like a Aki. Me not like them. Me not like it.
Okay.
When you go up on the fridge, it take away taste. To
Really?
me.
But people freeze Aki all the way in Jamaica and send it up.
Yeah, man, I send it up. Me not like it.
But
me love my
and you taste a difference in it.
Yeah, it tastes different rather than when you just pick it up by tree and cook it.
But isn't that the same for everything though?
What?
Don't bananas taste different when it pick off of the tree and cook than if it go whatever. Isn't that the same? Yeah.
No man, if you put on this, say you buy a bunch of banana and you have it in your kitchen, it tastes the same.
Oh, okay.
But certain things taste different when you go up on the fridge.
Understood. So what go on?
What me call fi ask you about this song, you see? Was it 54, 49 or 46? That's my number. And in the here no whatever. It's a jail song.
I don't know what the number signify, but it's a song from Toots and the Metals. And it's not a jail, but it's not something to do with jail.
Okay.
But it means something, but I can't tell you say it's not something to do with jail. 54, 46, that's my number. Yeah.
And he must say, and in the year, sir, do you hear what I say, sir? Thursday night, me sleep and wake up about 2 o'clock and me dey on a station. And you know, people are request song.
Yeah.
And me dey lay down and go and listen before me drop back asleep. And somebody request a song there. And when the man I say 54, 40, whatever is my number, this jockey I said, that's my number. And then he said, the blood of Jesus, that is not my number, it's a jail number.
Oh, somebody I said that was his jail number. Somebody posting on the chat said that was his jail number.
Yes, that the man say.
What the song name again? 54, 46. Toots and Metals. May I see if them 5446, that's my number, is a song by Fred Toots Hibbert, recorded by Toots and the Maytals. The song was originally released on the Beverly's label in Jamaica and the Pyramid label in the UK, and the follow-up version released a year later. 5446 was my number, was one of the first reggae songs to receive widespread popularity outside Jamaica. Oh, whoa, I was wrong. I was wrong. It says the lyrics describe Toots' time in prison after being arrested for possession of marijuana.
Okay.
Okay. And then they're going on this stuff, and oh, I had no idea that was interesting. So you see, out of look of sufferation and this and that, he had a monster hit that became, cause that song, you know, well, it's saying it here that what I just read. That song opened up a whole heap of doors for reggae music, you know. Well, at that time, I think that was what was referred to as that was when we were kind of going it's rock steady, yeah, that type of Jamaican music that preceded reggae called rock steady. Before we had One Drop and them something and thing. But yeah, man, the one that did open up a whole heap of doors, you know. Toots and the Maytals.
And Raga, you know some more. A long time I hear that song there. I mean never you hear the song, but you not listen. You understand what me I say, Raga? You not listen to words.
Yeah, but don't we do that with a lot of songs though?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because a Thursday night, me lay down and me just listen to it, and when he say, do you hear what I say, sir? Put your hand in the ear, sir. All of that me never did a hear before.
See it. No man, enough time, man. You know, you grew up on some songs and you did it, sing it. One of the things when them do on the internet a lot now is them will play back certain songs and say, they will post them and be like, yo, I am today, they will say, I'm today years old when I realized what they were really saying in this song, or, you know, they will do these little things like, I grew up on this song and I never really knew, and to them I really understand what them did I say or whatever. So a lot of that happens, you know.
Sorry, Raga.
You go out in a night, Joe, go jump fence for man and go catch.
One fence me that jump and the fence too far. Me not think fence there.
I wear that.
Big bear fence.
Of a big bear, you jump big bear fence.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I walk let's see if he make you have a jump fence, you know. Eh?
I want East Indian mango. Me just on eat Raga. Big and it's sweet. Me cut the two side and shell on the two side, and suppose you see me do the seed.
You suck off the seed, no?
Me do it bad.
You do it bad, though. But no. If you're a true Jamaican now, when you're done with the seed now.
It's white.
Well, good.
White.
Good.
White man.
No, good. Because
Only thing I see too big, me couldn't even imagine no other seed in my mouth because the seed is too big. Oh.
Eh? You couldn't manage a big seed.
That one is too big.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you said.
Just suck it up.
Yeah, just suck it up. Well, I'm glad you said that because Munchie care listen, because when she go Jamaica, Munchie love make video of herself for eat mango, you know. And when she done be a yellow left in her mango, you know, so she's not a good mango eater, right?
Okay.
Because she not suck out the yellow.
Yellow fi go and Munchie, the yellow fi move from the seed.
Tell her again, so she for suck out the yellow out of the seed.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Seed for white, Munchie, white.
Yeah, Munchie just can't suck. That's it. She's just a poor.
Okay.
She's a poor sucker. She's just
somebody have to go teach her.
Yeah, for manage all them big mango seed, you know. So you couldn't manage it at all, no?
No, not a big seed.
Okay.
Want a little seed.
Okay.
You know when you have a little seed like a guinea seed or you juggle it in your mouth?
Really?
What?
No, me no juggle guinea seed no more. Me just
No, you not go juggle that.
No, but no, it's a jive for watch Jamaican woman and eat guinea doing no see them out there.
Round and round, and worse if it's sour because like this.
I'm not seeing you,
Oh, we not take. Oh, Jesus, sorry.
Yeah, I know, man. I them have a style, you know. When them suck it off, it's like them push up the seed and your seed come out. You see it, them short, them and you see it, and I'm just and scoop it back in, you know. Yeah. Mina, one of them, One Mina never too. She not chat there. If you watch her, she when she eat guinea, you know, and nothing normal. Yeah. She say, go like this, alien. One Mina, I trouble, she a trouble, you know. She a trouble, you man. Well, go like this.
Raga.
Yeah.
You have some listeners. Me not even know if he says some. If you know what them a do, Raga, them a tape me and I send it to other this Jackie, you know.
Oh, they must send it to Ijabing?
I call your name. Me not call your name for them go get me mixed up. You do the talking.
So when them a tape and I chat and I send it to my virgin, I'll be at that I go on, man, look a low key farmer them, you know, and I say, listen, so what them do? Tell me what them do, what them tape and do, what them do?
Send it. Make him listen.
I make Ijabing listen and hear you.
Yeah, me go on perfume programming about not like ear so because you know to a radio.
Right. So you can't talk certain things, of course.
Certain things.
No,
yeah.
man, a long time you juggle with Ijabing doing, you know.
Me know, man. Long time. From him da something there. Why place name was just in a city radio. Why name Roots FM?
Roots FM down at 3 mile. Down, yeah. A long time you juggle with Ijabing, man. Long time. You're general. I'm a general too, you know. Rated, man. Man, anytime you go back attack, you just tell him so Raga say big up, you know.
Him da England now because him boat ride at 25th.
Boat ride where?
At England. Him have boat ride out here and boat ride at England because him have England fans too. You know, him have fans just like how people listen you from all over the world.
Yeah.
And we are TamFam here, so on perfume program, we are bleachers.
Bleachers, because him sure was overnight, yeah.
Right,
sure was
right,
overnight
right,
when him there
right.
RJR and name and thing, you know. You see.
So in that England now,
Yeah,
that's to that come at them boat ride.
Well, tell him to send him flyer to me, because I have a new company, you know, ragalink.com, and we do event promotion and things. So,
yes,
you know, a film thing different. Tell him to send the flyer to me, man, and somebody
the
send
informer then we tell him, because me good all I get tape now.
Right. Yeah. I know some of them who are tape you. Right? Just so you know, Christina, one of them are tape you and I send it over here.
No, man, England. So near about England people, me tell her yes.
Oh, Craigton?
Yes.
Craigton are tape you and I send it to Aisha Bing?
Yes, name some more.
Carol?
Carol live in England?
Yeah, man. Yeah, Carol who live in England. Evoking live in England.
All right, me just work with Craigton. Spirits have to work with Craigton. Craigton.
I got one Craigton at tape. Craigton are wicked, though.
Wicked Craigton.
Informer Craigton.
After me, you come up in the box, you still deny me Craigton. You're not nice.
You see it. Him now move
You're
right,
not
man.
nice at all. Raga.
Yeah.
But the lady, the walla we there so. And the lady I go say, Jesus a call you and God a call you. And she alone here, Raga.
Yeah, because God attack to her different, you know, that me I tell you.
Why, Raga, why? Why me have a fault or whatever? Why God can't tell me himself?
Exactly. Yeah, and why, look how long on a day I listen me and all them something and whatever, and God go tell she if you come tell me, I never tell none of you.
That's Sophia vessel clean.
No, so them special, because God talk to them, yeah.
Alone.
And then you know enough people just hear say, God says so and so, and then critical thinking goes right out the door. Right? Them now reason out the thing. And even if them reason it out and thing, them feel guilty. Because them feel like them do something blasphemous. And thing, you understand? Because they're conditioned to think that way and to be self-regulating that way, you know, and this obedience type of thing to you know, God or whatever in a kind of strict, inflexible way where them go on with, you know.
So that means that God keep malice.
Explain.
Because you must malice you, make him can't tell you.
No, I don't malice. Moon said that a malice. It's like...
So why not talk to you? Him not like you then.
Well, that would have been more accurate. Like, say, like, I don't even want to go over there saying that you carry the message go give me, right? Because I don't want into him, you know,
yes,
whatever. I don't want whatever, you know. But that would mean, say, God is choosing, God wants something for me, but he's choosing not to associate with me. Would that make any sense to you?
Nope.
No, that don't make no sense.
Not the God what me know.
Right.
That's why we have to know him for ourselves.
Thank you. And then when you know God for yourself, then I guess God, you know, you receive God. Then for you receive God, God will talk to you, though. God no need to talk to anybody else.
Nope, nothing. I'm no messenger.
Well, it's different though, because when, hey, alien, you know what he said? We don't have as many messenger now like we did have before. You know, when I say messenger, you know, you know these people who will walk from Portland, go Montego Bay, and I tell them about earthquake and thing. Destruction! Earthquake and destruction. People, you know, walk from we are Manchester, come up here, you know.
Yes.
People that did come on Jamaica, you know.
And it do happen when them talk, them all come in at the school.
Alien, stop your foolishness. Stop. But
no, Raga.
Wow.
No, Raga. Back in the days, you see, in a few time, maybe, me and you playmate, you know. Me don't know you yet, but we are still playmates.
Right.
Back in few days, Raga, you see when the people them come and talk things them you da call them wanna people.
Yeah, wanna woman and wanna man. Yeah.
You have to take heed, Raga. Take heed.
So what you believe? So what them want, like the real wanna woman and wanna man, and what them want come true?
Enough time.
All right. What them usually want about alien?
Them want about death.
Right. All right. Unfortunately,
Mm-hmm.
is it unusual for death come about in Jamaica? Is it unusual or a regular thing then?
A regular thing that.
Okay, so them are one about a regular thing then.
Mm-hmm. But listen, oh Raga, 1 minute, little bit. Raga, more time. When them warn about something, it happen all the next day. We know said that always happen, but sometime them warning different Raga.
No, if you really listen to them warning, it's never loaded with specifics to make the what them I want about like totally unique. I remember give an example. You never hear a Wana man or a Wana woman say that somebody ever climb a coconut tree at 1:14 p.m. and them a go pick 3 coconut, and when them try to pick the 4th, them a go drop that. You never hear anything
Never
like
hear that. That is true. That is
but
true.
them will say things like death, unexpected death, unforeseen death. You're not going to. Then next day somebody dropped them from aneurysm. Jesus Christ, and the woman did one about it, you know.
That's
The woman
true.
see it, you know, she see it. She said unexpected death, and we never know so light here got dead and whatever and thing like that. And again, this is thinking. But most people don't think about these things, and them just go with what is said. Worse if you were raised in like a Christian home, like myself, yeah, you know, because I believed that when I was growing up, you know, because I was told to believe it, so it became a self-fulfilling prophecy, right? You know, you reach the conclusion, and then you fit the facts to fit the conclusion. So even when nothing no go so, you just observe things and see things in a way where you make it go so. Right? I see people want, you know, about that, you know. And when nobody not dead in like more than like 2 weeks or so, you know. When I dog in I man, brown man, yeah, dead, you know. And then I saw them say, see that the woman see say dog did I go dead, you know. You know, the woman want about that, you know, and nobody not dead, you know.
And the dog
And when the
dead.
dog dead, them say, that she walk all the way from where she walk from, come tell them, say, the dog are dead and whatever. So, in other words, them reach them conclusion, and then them sit down there wait for something for 15. Wait for something for 15. I know a youth, what woman I want, and him tell the woman for tap her nice, man. She chat too much. And them say, we are dog, you know, for do them something there. God work she a do. God work she a do. And between me and you know, I want you to the there with one girl when me did like. Right? She named Jackie. She live up in our area and dance land. That's where Sizzla come from. Dance land at Augustown. Jackie. I mean, like Jackie, you know, man, and I draw for Jackie, but Jackie now give me the time because she there with him. And me did have a brethren named Bull. And Bull say, remember one time Bull say, you're dying for so drop out so you can get Jackie. And I said, no, I not wish for that. I not wish for that. I not wish no dead pan a body and thing and whatever. And the day when the woman I want, and him I tell the woman to shut up and tap her foolishness and whatever, and people I say, we are though, don't, so. You know, so the next day him a beard and drop down dead in the bathroom. I know say that the woman you know it's not a look a circle, and I said, John, with that woman there, you know, she real. And me afraid of her and blah blah blah, whatever. And I saw Bull now I said, Yo, Tipper, are you bring the woman for come slap the man for get Jackie? I say, yo, stop calling my name like foolishness, you know. And whatever, but I show you how Jamaicans like traffic heavily in the supernatural, you know. And believe what them want, believe. No, that you that it if they sick, you know, if they sickly, you know, and then something, I don't know, some pneumonia thing in a bathroom catch him, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, never know say you can't have pneumonia and look healthy at that time. Did you know that?
No.
Well, I met me here, people.
Mm.
People, is that true? You can't have pneumonia, but just look healthy like nothing I do. See, you have a lot of people working in the medical profession here. See, they must say yes there. Yeah. Well, them have so many walking pneumonia. Look, Ilian, I see so many walking pneumonia, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, well, tell me something. You can't have pneumonia. I don't know. Say you have pneumonia, right? That's all.
Me no know, Raga.
You don't know.
True. Me only hear about this pneumonia thing.
People, you know, I don't even know what pneumonia is really. You know, you can't have pneumonia. I don't know. Say you have it. No, yeah, something like so. Yeah. What is pneumonia? If I know flu hour, come up to what day someone famous person. How do I people are dead from pneumonia? You know? What is? See it there, bro, for sunshine. Yeah, you're functioning daily and you don't know, say you have it. Wow. Inflammation within the lungs. Oh, fluid in the lungs, lung disease. Oh, lung infection. It's a cold. Pneumonia is a cold. Or it's from a cold. Right, look on a full see. How are you an adult and don't know what pneumonia is?
Yeah. You're not gonna know everything, Raga. What the? No, sir.
Right?
Me want know who know everything.
That's what I did, man. That's what I
That
did.
person who just done post. She alone know everything.
Well, no, she put it's common sense.
Yeah.
It's common sense.
So if you don't know nothing, it's not because you don't have no common sense then.
If you don't know something, then you don't have. She's basically saying that what she says is actually dumb. To say pneumonia is common sense. That's respectfully, Kim. Man, I think what you want to say that pneumonia is so common. Like how many know nothing about it.
Oh, no.
Right.
Raga, you're not going to
Hold on. She phrase it better now. That is a more accurate phrasing, Kim. It's common knowledge. Right. But believe it or not, Kim, I just know it was flu-related infection, but what it actually is, I don't know what pneumonia is. You think it's common knowledge, Kim? All right then, Kim. Tell me, no, what is a common sense? That she go wrong this. Right? She never know where she has it. But if she's saying it's common knowledge, that make more sense to say it's something is common knowledge. How could you not know? But she can't say pneumonia. But Tony LaBelle, you're quite right. That is where I am. You can know something, but not know the technique. I wonder if Kim has said, like, if me never hear about pneumonia before. I wonder if that she has said. All right, Kim. Tell me what the flu is. Kim, that's what your name is. Tell me what the flu is. No, that's not what I'm saying. No, tell me what the flu is. Tell me what is the flu. And don't just say it's cold, you know, because flu different from cold. Kim, tell me what is flu. Don't Google it either, you know, because if you Google it, I'm going to know. You see it, you're not answer, you know. Kim, what is the flu? The flu is a respiratory illness. No. That is part of it, but no. That is not it. That is part of it, but no. Right? And for you to say the flu is a respiratory illness, so you don't know that, you don't know that. See, Kim, see a nurse tell you no there. See a nurse in the chat, somebody who know is a nurse tell you no. Right? You can have respiratory difficulties with flu, but it is not, a flu is not a respiratory illness. She gonna ask AI, me know. So Kim, you see how you go wrong? The flu more common than pneumonia. And oh, you don't know, a grown woman like you don't know what the flu is. Kim? Yes, it is. I don't have to ask AI. Kim, go look pan it name then or whatever. Kim, respiratory can be part of the flu, but that is not the definition for the flu. And that's a go on. Respiratory illness. That is not the definition of flu. So Kim, when you have flu and your whole body in a pain, inflammation, right? Is that respiratory? Eh? Kim, be careful when you jump for judge people for sure say you're bright here. Right? But you think people should have known something because you know it. Be careful here. Enough things people don't know. Kim, Einstein was considered at one point the most brilliant man in the world. He could not tie his shoes lace.
Okay.
Kim, Albert Einstein. Jabongo Kim, Raga Bex. No, I no Bex. Jabongo, relax. I no Bex. And thing. No, I no Bex. I run a show. It's entertainment. So people come and them come for me. So I come for them. I go for them too if I feel like it. Yeah, but Kim, Albert Einstein was considered at one point probably the most brilliant man there, the physicist. He could not tie his shoes lace. Came one of the most brilliant persons I met. One of my schoolmate, Brad from Israel. When me I tell you said that the boy in brilliance, he had photographic memory. Him have if him hear something one time, him not forget it, and him can in mind immediately apply it to all kinds of scenarios and whatever. And that boy would just effortlessly explain even the most complicated, complex theories and all kind of something. That boy see me a iron one day, I nearly lose him damn mind. You hear me say, Ilian?
Yeah.
The boy see me a iron one day, iron clothes. And he thought that me ironing clothes, sitting where the whole of we grew up with and coming like nothing. He just thought that was like one of the most incredible things ever. And I asked me all kind of questions about ironing. Oh, yeah, you know if you do that and whatever. And I was just like so dumbfounded and thing because we all knew Brad was like a bona fide, genuine genius and thing and whatever. But just some little simple something where him no know. And Kim, me not hype myself, but just so you know, it is quite customary for people who their mind function on a certain level to make people tell you, like some of the smartest, brightest people, they do the stupidest thing. Ilian.
Yeah.
Me doing hungry, you know, but you know about Anushka, right? Anushka was actually like really brilliant. Like she's just really smart, you know. And one time, so she used to come over my room for go on with where we are going with, you know. Cause she did live in an all-girl dorm at Vassar College called Strong. So most of the time she come over my room because we can't go over for them room. When we go over there, we have to sneak in. So when she come over now, she was telling me that she didn't know what was going on with our plant. She said she water the plant, she try with the plant and the plant now. Whatever. Me I said, go on, do it, man, and whatever. Sometimes it take a little time for catch. Me say it I get sun. She said, yeah, it I get sun and whatever. I mean, so she give her tell me one name. I said, I'm gonna look on the I'm gonna look and see how I go. When we go over there, my mama telling you, Anushka is just brilliant. When we go over there, the plant, Anushka have the plant in front of the heater blow directly upon the plant. And I stood there in disbelief, and I was just like, no, what do you do, whatever? And she's like, I'm giving it heat. I'm like, seriously? We are getting heat for it. She said, well, we're in winter and it's a tropical plant, so it need heat. Don't it need heat? And whatever, I'm like, Anushka, you're killing the plant, but you cannot blow heat on the plant and whatever. So here you have this woman who's just like, again, she was just really brilliant, just really smart and stuff. And she just thought that you could blow heat upon a plant because them say it's tropical. There was another time again, she said, coffee in America no good.
Yeah.
So me I said, well, why would you say that? And she said, yeah, because she don't drink coffee. So me I said, but you don't drink coffee. Why would you say coffee no good? Because she said, no, when I'm studying and I eat coffee cake, it doesn't work for me. Alien, the coffee cake where she had talk about, you know, I want little make anybody up here tell you. I want little it's like it's almost like a pastry. It's selling a bag like how would I sell bun in a bag, right? And it have these little crumbs thing on it. But it has nothing to do with coffee, you know, it just named coffee. It just named coffee cake, right? And in a fear, it's like sugar bun. It's more closer to sugar bun. And in a fear mind, you know, it's like if you need coffee cake, it have caffeine in it. Right? It's like people come down to our country, you know, and them that tell them, say, yes, it's some ginger beer here. And them I say, but I don't feel nothing when I drink that ginger beer here. And whatever. But our ginger beer, it don't have no alcohol in it. We just call it ginger beer. Yeah, beer. So you find, see, I know for a fact that a lot of people who are you know, people who for mind work a certain way. When it comes to some simple other thing and whatever, them can't really, them mind just in another zone there. Just them not really aware of stuff in another zone there, you know.
Raga, a too smarty tell me, one of them so rest in peace. Barry G and you. Me know say nobody know everything.
Exactly.
Nobody know everything.
And I get that a lot. You know why? People think the highest degree you can get in academia is a Ph.D., right? A doctor of philosophy. A Ph.D. is actually higher than an MD, you know, higher than a medical doctor or whatever, right? So because of that now, people usually think that if you get a Ph.D., you know everything. And what I've always had to tell them is that, no, a PhD is evident, it's more evidence that you don't know everything, because a PhD just means that you know a lot about one thing. That's what it basically means. Right? I had my PhD in cultural anthropology. I can tell you a lot about cultural anthropology. I can't tell you nothing about physics. I can't tell you nothing about how to wash, you know, certain clothes properly. I can't tell you nothing how to cook good or whatever. I can't cook or whatever. You understand what I say? Yeah, you carry me on some place with some, I mean, you know, good for me, made it, you know, kind of grew up in the street. So I know a certain thing from the street. But most people who know a PhD, you, God, don't even put them someplace. Them clueless. But they're bright as hell. Right? But them there's enough things where them don't know. Enough layperson things where them don't know. Sweet Candy, come teach me, boo. Come teach me. We had a Sweet Candy. Yeah, well, Alien, well, I'm going to bring in some other people. Sweet. What you say?
Have you ever loved somebody it make you cry?
Yeah. When I was younger, yeah. Remember tell you one time my girlfriend they left me, man, I'm gonna walk out in a rain a ball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever loved somebody you cannot eat at night?
Not from the love, but from the breakup.
Okay.
Yeah. When you're young, that shit would never happen to me. No, hell no.
When you're young,
when you're young, you don't want to eat. Your mom got on to nothing, man. Your clothes drop off for you and be things, man. I want me to you. In a Jamaica, you said, no, you know, she should draw down to nothing. Yeah. And whatever. Those were the days, man. Yeah.
Anyway, go and take in your people with them, my love.
All right, then. Big up yourself, Elaine. And
yeah,
go on.
Man, you
go on. What you say about God? Cornmeal?
Cornmeal. Me almost finished now, so me go.
All right.
Lock up and go around.
It is so you did listen me and a bag out, no?
Yes.
You see it there?
That help me work. And that me do a Monday daytime.
See it there, don't say a word, man. Big up yourself, here.
All right, Raga.
Man, cool. Jano.
He does?
Wagwan.
Raga!
What's up?
I lie.
A true. Bombo.
Holy. Yo, my niece is like, he added you to live. How are you, Raga?
I'm doing good, and you?
Oh, I'm doing great now.
No, but I'm doing. Big up your niece, you know. What should I go on with?
What y'all going with, Aaliyah? Big up the TamFamers too.
Of course. Aaliyah, big up yourself, man. Blessings and respect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wagwan, Savage. Yes, Aaliyah pick up quick, so you come up in our box doing, you know?
I know. Wow.
Aaliyah know Wagwan.
For sure.
Well, and you see, you make me there. If me didn't know, so Aaliyah, then I wouldn't cuss no bad word, you know.
Oh, it's all right. She's good. She's in tune. She's like 17, right?
Oh, okay. Well, big enough. Okay, all right then. Cool.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, I'm a good boy in general, you know. So it's about respect. Respect to the young ones, you know, and things. So what's going on with you?
Oh, Medea, you know, I was just tuning into your show.
All right.
Stuff, you know, working on some music in the meantime, you know.
Some music? Elaborate.
Yeah, I got some gigs coming up. I'm a DJ.
You're a DJ?
Yeah, I'm a female DJ from Toronto, Randy Savage.
So I never get to listen to you yet and give you some support and make them know what's going on. I
don't know, because I've kind of been in the background just taking you in, you know?
Randy Savage. So you play on TikTok?
I play in the clubs. I play at any private or corporate event. Any 50th, you know, any 2-year-old.
Yeah.
You know, any outdoor festival or events.
But
the other day,
go on.
yes, Saturday, I had an event called Roast Breadfruit, and it's more like a reggae vibe, kind of Rasta vibe, roots and culture. Nice. Yeah, it was so nice. People them enjoyed themselves.
So where you drive some Abyssinians and some culture, and them tune they done some Jacob Miller.
And some Barris, of course. But then I got into some disco. You know, they love the disco because the crowd was diverse, you know?
What did I say was a Rasta thing?
Yes, but then we had to, change up the vibe because, certain people come, mingle up and,
Okay.
so we just added some. But, in Jamaica, you guys love everything.
Well, yeah, people our age, we still love disco, so.
Yeah.
But the young people, them don't play it for them. No,
Oh, I know.
But we still love the Donna Summer and Just Give It a Night.
Yes.
Them song now, whatever, we still, that we could get going with those at a party, Jamaica.
Right.
And that.
And I'm a little bit, but I look like I'm younger, but I'm a little bit older. So I kind of, it's cool the way I can kind of pull the crowd in like that.
Nice.
And be versatile with the music. I like that part.
So are you like multi-genre skilled or?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Okay.
On Friday, I played at a bar in not in Toronto. It's Courtice, Ontario, like outside of Oshawa. So it's very maybe Caucasian like,
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but they were grooving.
Oh, okay. So what type of song you play for them?
I played like the Bee Gees. For the younger crowd, I played like Drake and little hip trap.
Did you play stuff like Your Love Is Like Bad Medicine? Bad medicine is what I need. Oh yeah. I'm kidding. Don't listen to me.
Well, not quite, but I played some Bon Jovi and
Bon Jovi, right?
Aerosmith.
Oh, yeah. We said that. Duran. Okay, all right.
I played, the pop of today, espresso.
Yeah.
On espresso. Apart APT, Bruno Mars.
Yeah. Hold on. Did they hold their nose and do that little wind down thing there with them though?
No, but I did.
You did?
Yes.
That's their thing.
Yes. Yes. Oh, David Bowie. No, I didn't play any David Bowie. David Bowie.
And which other one them know again? Oh God. I'm just being mischievous on him. But yeah, man, big up yourself, man. But you say you don't play on TikTok though?
Not so much.
Okay.
I appreciate having the perfect sound. So I like, when it's running through a phone, it's just a little different,
Okay, right.
Yeah.
So
even during COVID, I did a lot of that. I did so much of that during COVID, the in front of the camera business. But I like.
Do you have your own boxes and stuff?
Of course, Raga.
And if you set them up like acoustically right and thing and whatever, if you do them something. Okay.
Yes, and I went to school, Travis for audio engineering, but during the COVID, so it was a little rough. But still, nonetheless, got through it.
Okay.
And before that, I was just always into the music. I just love the music. I just
so for balance of your treble and your mids and your bass and thing and the whole works, huh?
Yeah, man.
Okay. What controller you use? Is it what controller?
I use the program, the software I use is Serato, yes, but I use the Denon.
You use a Denon.
8000.
Okay. The Denon MCX 8000.
Yes.
Oh, so you're not what's the one that
the Pioneer.
The Pioneer.
I love the Pioneer.
But
I think the next one I'll get is a Pioneer. For now, this is doing just great.
When I do, I love to use the ones that are easy to use and which does because I'm not into the scratching and the so I use a control. I love to use something simple.
I noticed that you can play music too. And you have great selections all the time.
Yeah, but that's just playing the music, nothing fancy.
Yeah, I hear you. I don't scratch too much. I don't do all that hebesecondness, but sometimes like during a hip hop little session, I'll do a little.
You do a little.
You know what I would like to do more to be more confident. See, I'm on the show talking about this. Is to speak more on the mic.
Oh.
Yeah, call me shy.
Oh, you're shy.
No, I'll say
are you shy in general, or you're shy when you mean for play and talk to crowd? That's two different shy. Because you don't. My suspicion of you talking to you thus far, you're not shy.
Because I'm excited to talk to Raga.
Well, perhaps you're not shy. Yeah, but I don't think you're shy in the classic sense. But I understand that shy, that public speaking shy, that entertaining shy,
yes,
or whatever, you know. So
yes.
So you want to mix it up and have your little signature talk them and them something there and whatever, and big up a crowd and thing. Well,
yes, because I let the music speak for me, and yeah, it's cool, it's great. I get great feedback. I see the people dancing, and so I know I'm doing something right. But it's like, you know, maybe if I add some more speech, it would make things a little more.
Well, it depends. As you do that, I want you to keep something in mind. You have selectors, party selectors that just play music. Like from a Jamaican perspective, Colin Hines, Mixmaster Marvin, them classic, you know, them play music. And they have a next set of a Jamaican aesthetic where it's about the talking. Yes. Tony Mataran, Firelinks, and what people come to hear them talk. What them said before they sang them, the funny stuff, them or them intro they sang them. It's and whatever. So, but you would have to know, because some people hate the talking.
Yeah, exactly. There's that too. So I don't want to overdo it.
Right, you don't want to overdo it. No. And then some people, you know, love the talking. Them go there for hear them say what them are gonna say. It's like them know the song them, you know, but it's what them say before the song they make it nice and the build up, you know.
And the way it just connect, you know?
Exactly, the vibe, you know. So it depends.
Yeah, love that.
Yeah.
Love that.
But
music is life, you know?
Yeah, it sounds like you love what you do. I always admire people in there that they love what they do, which is a big thing for me. I have to love what I do. If I don't love it, I can't. I literally get depressed and feel like I'm wasting valuable time in my life. I'm living without purpose, you know. So I hear you doing what you love, and that's cool. Do you?
And you know something, Raga, I'd like to say, like, yo, thank you, because like my daddy passed away, right?
Yeah.
In November 2025. But we used to watch your show together like every evening. You're such a joy. But when it's so funny, when I first introduced the show, like I think I had a gig, I was running out, but like I set up the phone and he was like laying down or whatever. And then like I saw his face and he's like, what is y'all listen to? But ever since, man, we just love your vibes. We just watch you every evening. Thank you for the laughter. Thank you for creating those moments you don't even know about. You know what I'm saying?
Blessings,
so
man.
What a joy, man. What a joy.
Give thanks, man. Give thanks. Respect our honor here.
Yeah, man. For sure.
All right, then. Yeah, man. Take care. Aliyah.
Hi.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Bye, Raga.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool.
All right, TamFamers.
To the world.
To the world. Big up, Raga.
Long time. Cool. Blessings.
Bless.
Yeah, there she is, you know, doing her thing and enjoying what she does, you know. All right, people, I'm going to leave you know. My mornings again here. They are dealing with a little crisis and things, seen, so never saw that one. Blessings, people. Take care of yourself, and I'm Morris, all right? Blessings and things. Lottie girl, big up yourself. Islington Finest, yeah. Brafford Sunshine. Verbal Expression. Let the music play. You wanna, who remember that song there? We started dancing and dancing the way back to me. Too sexy for you all. One Nina. Big up yourself, you know, boo. Good night, Evoking. Good night. Zodi. All right. K, you're finer. You're finer. Big up your fine self, K. All right. Blessings, man. Cool. CBS, love and blessings, you know, yeah. Lisa. Is that Licia? So you pronounce your name Licia or is it Leisha? Stevenson. Baby girl. You know, one day you can watch me cook. Are you a good cook? Ruthie. Good night. Mine you can't cook, you know. Right? If you can't cook, just admit it like Sinner, you know. Sinner can't cook and she just admit it that she can't cook. Nina said, I'm a certified chef. Oh, cool. That's what my daughter wants to be. My little daughter wants to be. She is convinced she's going to be a chef. Yeah. You're a certified chef. Okay. So you have to maintain this body. All right, pick up yourself, man. You know, yeah, I don't know. As a chef, maintain our body, you know. Let the music play. Mina. All right. I'm going to do some work now, and this is what I'm playing. Nice, though. I'm going to look at work music, that, you know.